Word of Life Broadcasting.
Your spiritual welfare is our concern.
This message is brought to you by the Deeper Christian Life Ministry.
We are looking at Matthew chapter 19.
À ń yẹ ìrere Matthew wò orí kọkànléníogún.
And we're looking at it from verse 3.
A sì ń yẹ̀ wò láti ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹta.
The Pharisees also came unto him, tempting him, and saying unto him, Is it lawful for a man to put away his wife for every cause?
Àwọn Farisí sì wá sọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀, wọ́n ń dán an wò, wọ́n sì wí fún un pé ó wá tọ́ fún ọkùnrin kí ó kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ nítorí ọ̀ràn gbogbo.
They were asking a question on the divorce.
Wọ́n ń béèrè ìbéèrè nípa ìkọnisílẹ̀.
We are thankful to God that they came to the right source to ask their question.
A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run wípé wọ́n darí ìbéèrè wọn sí ìpòpópónà bíi tí ó ti tọ̀nà gan.
We are grateful to God that they did not go to ask people like Peter or James or John or Matthew or any of the disciples.
A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé wọn kò lọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ Matthew, Johanu, Anderu àtàbí Jacobu àwọn ẹnikẹ́ni nínú àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yìn Jésù Kristi.
And so they went to the right source to ask their question.
Nítorí náà wọ́n lọ síbi tí ó tọ̀nà gan láti lọ béèrè ìbéèrè
They
wọn.
asked the Lord Jesus Christ,
Wọ́n lọ bí Olúwa Jésù Kristi.
who was there at the beginning
Ẹni tí ó wà níbẹ̀ láti
when
àtìkọ́
the
ṣe.
Father was making the world by the spoken word.
Nígbà tí baba ń dá ayé nípa ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀.
When he created Adam and Eve.
Nígbà tí ó dá Ádámù òwe fà.
When the Father said unto the personalities of the Godhead, saying, Let us create man in our image.
Nígbà tí Ọlọ́run bá àwọn ẹni mẹ́ta pàtàkì tó wà nínú Ọlọ́run sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká dá ènìyàn ní àwòrán ara wa.
Jesus Christ was there.
Jésù Kristi wà níbẹ̀.
And when God instituted the program and plan of marriage, Jesus Christ was there.
Nígbà tí Ọlọ́run sì ṣe ètò àti ìlànà ìgbéyàwó, Jésù Kristi wà níbẹ̀.
You remember in the teaching on sanctification where Jesus was praying, glorify me with the glory I had with you before the foundation of the world.
Ó rántí nígbà tí Jésù Kristi ń gbàdúrà nígbà tí à ń sọ nípa ìsọdúnmọ́ fún wa nígbà tí Jésù ń gbàdúrà wípé bàbá ṣe mí lógo pẹ̀lẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ògo tí mo ti ní láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ayé wá.
You remember Jesus said before Abraham was, I am.
Ó rántí pé Jésù Kristi sọ wípé kí Ábúráhámù tó wà òun ti wà.
And so we are grateful they went to ask the Lord Jesus Christ about the divorce problem.
Nítorí náà a dúpẹ́ lọ́rùn pé wọ́n lọ bí Jésù Kristi léèrè nípa ìkọ̀sílẹ̀.
They were asking, is it lawful? Is it permissible now? Is it right?
Wọ́n ń béèrè pé ǹjẹ́ ó tọ̀nà ǹjẹ́ ó jẹ́ ohun tí ó ṣeé ṣe nísinsìnyí
For
ǹjẹ́ ó
a
tọ̀nà
man
fún
to
yàn.
divorce his wife.
Fún ènìyàn láti kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
They asked the question right because they didn't mention his wife in the plural. They knew that it was only one wife.
A dúpẹ́ pé wọ́n béèrè ìbéèrè náà ní ọ̀nà tó yanjú gan ọ̀rọ̀ ìyàwó kan ṣoṣo ni wọ́n sọ níbẹ̀ nítorí wọ́n mọ̀ pé ìyàwó kan ló tọ́ sí
Then
ọkùnrin
they
kan.
were asking, is it lawful for a man to leave his wife for every cause, for every excuse?
Wọ́n wá ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ Jésù pé ǹjẹ́ ó wá tán fún ọkùnrin láti kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ nítorí ọ̀ràn gbogbo nítorí wàhálà kan bí.
And today there are many people where there are many places where they think they can justify divorce.
Bákan náà ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn lónìí tó ń lérò wípé àwọn lè rí ìdí kan pàtàkì fún ìkọ̀sílẹ̀.
And they do it for some purpose.
Wọ́n sì máa ń ṣe wọ́n nítorí àwọn ìdí kan.
Sometimes the woman has not given birth to children after 2 years or 3 years or 7 years and they feel, well, they have tried and endured. They just have to have paper given to this woman from the court and kick her out, divorce her.
Bóyá ìyàwó yìí kò bí látìgbà tó ti wọlé ọkọ bí ọdún méjì mẹ́ta tàbí ọdún méje kò bí ọmọ nítorí náà wá sọ lọ́kàn wọn pé mo ti gbìyànjú mo ti mú sùúrù tó nítorí náà yẹ kí n jáwé ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ fún kí n sì lè jáde kúrò nínú ilé
On
mi.
the other hand, there are men who say this woman can have too many children. And before you meet her, she has got a child. I think she will go.
Ní ìdàkejì àwọn lè wí pé obìnrin ti lè bímọ púpọ̀ jù kó tó bá a pàdé rárá ó ti lóyún ó ti bímọ nítorí náà ó
Other
gbọ́dọ̀ lọ.
people say it's only a girl that she gives birth to all the time. I think you will have to go and leave this house so that I would have somebody else, have a man that will be able to represent me and propagate my image.
Àwáwí àwọn ẹlòmíràn ni wípé obìnrin yìí kò rí ọmọ mìíràn bí ju kìkì obìnrin lọ mo rò pé ó yẹ kó wá kó nu lé mi báyìí kí n lè fẹ́ ẹlòmíràn tí ó bí ọkùnrin fún mi.
At other times it is because of tension among them with the in-laws. And because of this tension, the woman feels that to have rest, I think I will leave this home and find another man for myself.
Ìgbà mìíràn ó lè jẹ́ pé nítorí wàhálà tàbí ìdààmú àwọn ẹbí tàbí àwọn àna ọkọ rẹ̀ ni yóò mú láti sọ wípé mo rò pé kí n bá lè nísinmi ọkàn mo rò pé ó yẹ kí n jáde kí n wá ọkọ mìíràn fẹ́.
At other times it is because of no readjustment in their emotional differences and circumstances. When the man feels like a meeting with the woman is not ready. When the woman is ready, the man is not ready. And because there is no proper adjustment between them, they feel that the best way to go about it divorce.
ní ìgbà mìíràn ó lè jẹ́ pé àìlè máradúró àti àìlè mú sùúrù fún ara wọn nígbà tó bá dàbí pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe tọkọ tìyàwó ìyàwó á lóun ò tíì ṣe tán tó bá jẹ́ ọkọ ló sọ ọkọ pàápàá ní òun ò tíì ṣe tán nípa báyìí wọn á lérò wípé ọ̀nà àbáyọ ni wípé kí àwọn fira àwọn sílẹ̀ kó ń kakú máa bá tirẹ̀
At
lọ.
other times, a man who did not reveal to the wife before they married that is a criminal, well, he goes to do something and is sentenced to prison 10 years, 20 years. The wife says, God even will understand this one. Before this man comes out of the prison, I'm old already. I think I have to divorce.
ẹlòmíràn bóyá nítorí pé ó lọ fẹ́ ọ̀daràn tí kò sì sọ fún aya rẹ̀ pé ọ̀daràn lòun nígbà tó sì wá hùwà ọ̀daràn wọ́n wá jù sí ẹ̀wọ̀n bí ọya ọdún 10 tàbí 20 ọdún ìyàwó sọ pé ọlọ́run pàápàá ò ní dá mi lẹ́bi mo lérò pé tí n bá ní kí n dúró kọkùnrin yìí jáde màá ti darúgbó nítorí náà màá kẹ́rù mi màá jáde.
There are also times to have married before you became a Christian.
àwọn ìgbà mìíràn wà tó jẹ́ pé o ti fẹ́ ìyàwó kí o tó do
Then
nígbàgbọ́.
later you came across the gospel.
nígbà tó wá yá o wá báyìí rere pàdé
You got saved.
ó sì dẹ́ni
And
ìgbàlà
you started loving the things of God.
ó sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fẹ́ràn àwọn nǹkan ti ọlọ́run.
Every crusade you want to be there, and that is okay.
gbogbo ìsọjí pátá ló fẹ́ wà níbẹ̀ lè sì dára
You
bẹ́ẹ̀.
want to go to Bible study.
o fẹ́ lọ síbi ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bíbélì.
You want to go to retreats like this.
o fẹ́ lọ síbi ìpàgọ́ àjọ báyìí.
You want to move from the one spiritual church where they are burning candles to a gospel church.
o fẹ́ kúrò nínú ìjọ ẹlẹ́mìí tí wọ́n ti ń sun àbẹ́là lọ sínú ìjọ oníhìnrere.
For the man you married when you were an unbeliever.
ṣùgbọ́n ọkùnrin tó fẹ́ nígbà tí o wà ní aláìgbàgbọ́.
Is still an unbeliever.
òun sì jẹ́ aláìgbàgbọ́ síbẹ̀.
And the man says you cannot continue going to all the crusades and retreats and everything.
ọkùnrin wa sọ wípé o ò lè tẹ̀sọ́jà sí máa lọ sí gbogbo ìsọjí gbogbo ìpàgọ́ àjọba ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Then later you hear about a believer must not marry an unbeliever.
nígbà tó wáyá wa gbọ́ pé onígbàgbọ́ kò gbọdọ̀ fi aláìgbàgbọ́.
There is no agreement between light and darkness.
kò sí ìrẹ́pọ̀ láàrin òkùnkùn àti ìmọ́lẹ̀.
And here you have been married 3 months or 3 years or 5 years or 7 years before you became a Christian.
ìwọ sì ní bóyá o ti lọ́kọ níbi oṣù 3, oṣù 5, ọdún 6, ọdún 7 tàbí ọdún 14 kí o tó do nígbàgbọ́.
Well, and you are feeling that, well, since I'm a believer now, and my husband or wife is an unbeliever, I think I would divorce and then find somebody else who is a Christian like myself.
o ti wá lérò pé nísinsìnyí mo ti wá di onígbàgbọ́ mo lérò pé ó yẹ kí n wá wọ onígbàgbọ́ bíi tèmi báyìí bóyá lọ́kùnrin tàbí lóbìnrin kó lè dàbí èmi náà.
And you are feeling that you may be justified.
o ti wá lérò pé bóyá tí o bá ṣe lé ìyá ó da o láre.
At other times it is because the man after you have lived together for 5 years or for more than that.
ìgbà mìíràn bóyá ìwọ pẹ̀lú ọkùnrin yìí tàbí ìyàwó rẹ̀ ti jọ gbé pọ̀ bí ọdún 5 tàbí kú jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Then because there is so much work to do in the house.
ṣùgbọ́n nítorí pé iṣẹ́ pọ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ nínú ilé láti ṣe.
You had a maid.
o ní ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀.
And then you went to the market.
o sì lọ sí ọjà.
Before you came, your wonderful husband had taken the maid and they are met together.
kí o sì lọ sọ́jà kí o tó dé ọkọ rẹ oníyanu yìí ó ti mú ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ wọnú ilé ó sì ti bá a lò pọ̀.
And then when you come back.
nígbà tó wá padà dé.
Number 1, you beat the child and you beat life out of her and then send her back home and then you tell the man, this is my last day in this house, we are going to divorce.
ohun àkọ́kọ́ tó ṣe ni pé o mú ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ rẹ obìnrin yìí ó nà ó fẹ́ gbẹ̀mí lẹ́nu ẹ̀ tán o sì rán padà sílé o wá sọ fún ọkọ pé eléyìí gan ló pin mi nínú ilé yìí o fẹ́ kẹ́rù ẹ̀.
At other times it is because somebody came to the house and introduced herself and said, well, I am the junior sister of your husband and I came to Lagos or I came to the town, there is no house where I will live. And your husband also says, yes, you see, in our village, this cousin and this uncle, this is how we are related.
ẹlòmíràn bóyá ìgbà mìíràn nínú ilé o kàn rí pé àlejò kan wọlé tán ọkọ rẹ wá sọ fún ọ wípé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ni ọkọ rẹ ẹbí kan náà jọ ni wá ọkọ náà sọ pé lóòótọ́ ni ní abúlé wa lọ́hùn bàbá tó bàbá mi àwọn ni ẹbí wa ni nígbà náà ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ síwájú bẹ́ẹ̀.
And therefore you as a wife you say it's okay you put that lady into the boys' quarter.
ìwọ ìyàwó sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lóòótọ́ o sì fi àlejò yín sí ilé àlejò lẹ́yìn kùlé.
Before you know the junior sister to this your husband has got pregnant from your husband.
kí o tó mọ̀ wípé àbúrò ọkọ rẹ ni àbí àbúrò rẹ̀ kọ́ o ti lóyún.
And then you say, what will I do? You begin to pack your load.
wá ń rò pé kí ni kí wọ́n á ṣe nísinsìnyí o bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí palẹ̀ rù ẹ mọ́.
You better be patient lest you find that packing your load may not be the will of God.
òjẹ́ ya ní sùúrù bóyá kó má bàa gidigbẹ̀yìn kó o mọ̀ wípé kíkẹ́rù ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kò ní bá fẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
At other times it is not even because of that.
ìgbà mìíràn ó tilẹ̀ má jẹ́ torí eléyìí.
It is because the man will not spend money for the home.
bóyá nítorí pé ọkùnrin yìí kò ní náwó sínú ilé.
He will build one factory there, one house there, one house there, but there will be no food in the kitchen.
akọ iléeṣẹ́ kan tọ̀hún akọ ilé mi sí bí akọ mi tán ṣùgbọ́n kò ní tó ń jẹ nínú ilé
He has
ìdáná.
a big car, he has rug on the ground, he has fridge, he has television, but no food in the house.
ó ní mọ́tò ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́ ńlá ó ní gbogbo àwọn ohun èmìrì tá a fi ṣe ọ̀ṣọ́ ilé ṣùgbọ́n síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò fi oúnjẹ.
visitors come, there is wine, there are so many types of bottles in the fridge, but there's no garri in the house.
Nígbà tí àwọn àlejò bá dé oríṣiríṣi ọtí ni ó kúnnú amómitutù tí ẹ gbé sínú ilé ṣùgbọ́n kò sí gàrí nínú ilé.
And you have to take money out of your pocket as the wife to feed the children.
Ìwọ ló sì wá ń fowó sílẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyàwó láti tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ.
And then you say, but in fact, in all this thing, I think I better write a deed of divorcement to this man and go and rest in another person's home.
Lẹ́yìn ilé o
will take care of me.
Lẹ́yìn ilé o wá ro gbogbo ẹ̀ títí mo lérò pé ohun tó yẹ kí n ṣe ni pé kí n jáwé kọ̀ sílẹ̀ fún ọkùnrin yìí kí n tiẹ̀ lọ wá sinmi nílé ẹlòmíràn.
Or sometimes you just want to threaten him.
Tàbí bóyá nígbà mìíràn o sákàn fẹ́ dẹ́rù bá.
You begin to pack your load.
Ọ̀wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kẹ́rù ẹ.
Well, if you are a believer and you do that, it may not be wise.
Tí o bá jó nígbàgbọ́ tí o bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ eléyìí lè má mọ̀gbọ́n wá.
Then you run to your mother's house.
O sì wá sá lọ sílé màmá ẹ.
You are thinking that the man will come.
Wá lérò pé ọkùnrin fẹ́ wá bẹ̀ mí.
1 month, the man, because of his pride, doesn't come.
Ọkùnrin nítorí ìgbéraga ọkàn rẹ̀ kò wá.
2 months, doesn't come.
Oṣù kejì kò yọjú.
And then you also, because you are feeling ashamed now that since I found that this man does not come to bed, does not regard my people, if I pass back, it will be a shame.
Ìwọ pàápàá nítorí ìtìjú rẹ o fẹ́ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà jẹ́ pé fún àìlókun rẹ ló kẹ́rù jáde tí n bá ní kí wọ́n á lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ń sìn ìtìjú ló máa jẹ́ òbá
And
wò.
when the man waits for 6 months and then wait for 1 year, he says, I'm not going to become a bachelor before my death. I've married and I'm going to live a married life, and goes to pick somebody else. Then you come to the house and say, no, you have gone. Let's go to the court and finish it off.
Nígbà tí ọkùnrin sì dúró fún oṣù mẹ́fà tàbí ọdún kan tí kò gbúrò rẹ̀ mọ́ ó wá lérò pé n kò ní bí àpọ́n kí n tó wọ sàárè ó lọ wá ìyàwó mìíràn ó ti gbéyàwó sínú ilé ìwọ́sẹ̀ wá kẹ́rù òṣẹ̀ wá ń bọ̀ wá sọ fún mi pé ó ti o ẹlòmíràn ti gbàyè rẹ̀ jẹ́ ká lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́ ká lọ yanjú ẹ̀.
All around us in our community.
Nítorí náà ní àyíká wa ní gbogbo ìgbà.
There are many things that are causing divorce all around.
Oríṣiríṣi àwọn nǹkan báwọn yìí ni ó ń fa ìkọ̀sílẹ̀.
And it makes children to be without home training because the father is one way, the mother is another way.
Ó sì ń jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ kan kó má ní ẹ̀kọ́ ilé nítorí pé bàbá ń gbé lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan ìyá náà ń gbé níbòmíràn.
Sometimes the mother has children here, 2 of them, then has another 3 children here, another 4 children there.
Àbóyá nígbà mìíràn ṣe ni màmá ọmọ ẹ̀ ń bímọ káàkiri ó bí méjì síbí ó bí mẹ́ta sọ́hùn ó bí mẹ́rin síbòmíràn.
Nobody to take care of those children.
Kò sí ẹnìkan tí yóò ṣètọ́jú àwọn ọmọ wọ̀nyí.
Because you know anybody, the man marries after you have left is not going to take care of your children because you have gone, he is going to take care of our own children first.
Nítorí ọ̀wọ́ náà mọ̀ wípé ẹni tí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá fẹ́ lẹ́yìn tí ó lọ tán kò ní ṣètọ́jú àwọn ọmọ tirẹ̀ tó bá bí ló máa tọ́jú rẹ̀.
So it is good to ask this question, and these people came to ask Jesus, is it lawful for a man to put away his wife for every cause?
Nítorí náà ó dára lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti wá béèrè irú ìbéèrè yìí wọ́n sì wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ Jésù Kristi ǹjẹ́ ó dára fún ọkùnrin kí ó kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ nítorí ọ̀ràn gbogbo.
To treat this problem of divorce, we must clear a point very well.
Kí a tó lè sọ̀rọ̀ yanjú ketekete nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ yìí a ní láti kọ́kọ́ yanjú kókó kan náà.
There are some people who do not understand the institution of marriage. You say that, well, I married when I was an unbeliever, and God doesn't count my marriage because I was an unbeliever.
Ẹlòmíràn kò mọ ìgbékalẹ̀ ètò ìgbéyàwó láti ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run nítorí náà a máa lérò wípé mo ti fẹ́yàwó kí n tó di onígbàgbọ́ nítorí náà ó yẹ kí wọ́n á ti di onígbàgbọ́ ṣe ń ṣe.
Now they will feel that God doesn't count them as married because at that time they were unbelievers, and God doesn't get himself concerned with the marriage of unbelievers. They will say.
Wọ́n á lérò wípé àwọn Ọlọ́run kò ka ìgbéyàwó tí àwọn ṣe ńgbà tí àwọn kò tí ì di onígbàgbọ́ sí nítorí náà Ọlọ́run fẹ́ kí àwọn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá fẹ́ ìyàwó gẹ́gẹ́ bí onígbàgbọ́ nísinsìnyí ni wọ́n máa wí.
They will say it was in darkness.
Wọ́n á ní nínú òkùnkùn làwọn ṣe.
And so it did not matter to God.
Nítorí náà kò tilẹ̀ kan Ọlọ́run rárá.
Some people who stand for polygamy, that is almost what they say as well, that they were unbelievers at that time, and therefore God couldn't have cared whether they married 2 or 3 or 10.
Àwọn ẹlòmíràn tí ó ń torí kunkun sínú àṣà ìkó obìnrin jọ ohun tí wọ́n máa fi ń ṣe àwìn ní wípé ìyàwó táwọn kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ àwọn fẹ́ nínú òkùnkùn nítorí ìdí èyí Ọlọ́run kò nípìn nínú ìyẹn Ọlọ́run kò fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ ìdí èyí ló jẹ́ kí àwọn tó fẹ́ àwọn ẹlòmíràn tí àwọn fẹ́ lẹ́yìn rẹ̀.
Now let us see from the Bible that to start with, if you have been married, whether when you were married there were only 2 people at the wedding, or the wedding was done in the court, or the wedding was done traditionally according to customs and rites in your community, or it was done in the church where the gospel is not preached. Once you are married, you saw the parents' consent, you paid the dowry, and the person got to you, you have married. You see that from the Bible.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí a wá ṣàyẹ̀wò láti nínú Bíbélì dáadáa bóyá nígbà tí o ṣe ìgbéyàwó tìrẹ bóyá èèyàn méjì ló wà níbẹ̀ tàbí o ṣe nínú ilé ẹjọ́ tàbí o lọ ṣe nínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì níbi tí àlùfáà kò tilẹ̀ mọ ìrere ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n sákùn yín pọ̀ ṣá tàbí o sákàn ṣe àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn sì pọ̀ níbẹ̀ ní ìwọ̀n ìgbà tí ó bá jẹ́ pé o ti ṣègbéyàwó báyìí nìyẹn lè ti kó dílé ẹ kó wá sínú ilé rẹ o ti fẹ́yàwó nìyẹn a ó rè lé nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
Look at Matthew chapter 14.
ẹ jẹ́ ká wo Matthew orí 14.
We want to see verse 3.
a fẹ́ wo ẹsẹ̀
Verse 3.
ẹsẹ̀ kẹta.
For Herod had laid hold on John and bound him and put him in prison for Herodias' sake, his brother's wife.
Hẹ́rọ́dù sá ti mú Jòhánù ó dè é ó sì fi sínú túbú nítorí Herodia aya Fílípì arákùnrin rẹ̀.
Every reader of the Bible knew that Herod was not a disciple, was not a believer. He was an unbeliever.
Gbogbo èèyàn tí ó ń ka bẹ́ẹ̀lì ni ó mọ̀ wípé Hẹ́rọ́dù kìí ṣe onígbàgbọ́ kìí ṣe ẹni tó mọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run ó jẹ́ aláìgbàgbọ́.
And Herodiah who told her daughter to ask for the head of John the Baptist was herself not a Christian.
Herodia kan náà tí ó sì béèrè fún orí Jòhánù Baptist òun pàápàá kìí ṣe onígbàgbọ́ kèfèrí ni.
And there is no record to prove that Philip himself, Herod's brother, was a Christian.
Kò sì sí àkọsílẹ̀ kan tí a lè fi mọ̀ pé Fílípì pàápàá tí ó jẹ́ arákùnrin Hẹ́rọ́dù bóyá onígbàgbọ́ ni.
Now, therefore, these were unbelievers that were concerned.
Nítorí náà àwọn aláìgbàgbọ́ gan ni ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kàn báyìí.
And yet, the Herodiah was called Philip's wife. Why? Which means that the marriage was recognized, even though they were unbelievers. This was still a wife.
Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ a pe Herodia ní aya Fílípì èyí ni pé ìyà ìgbéyàwó wọn ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ wọ́n sì mọ Herodia ní aya Fílípì aya kanjú náà lóní.
And so God recognizes marriage as an institution, whether it is a marriage in the church or outside the church for unbeliever, for believers.
Nítorí náà Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ẹni tí ó mọ ohun gbogbo nípa ìgbéyàwó ìbáà jẹ́ pé nínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì láṣẹ tàbí níbikíbi tí a bá ti ṣe níwọ̀n gbàtà bá ti so wá pọ̀ ìyàwó tọ́kọ àti ìyàwó náà ni wá.
That is not saying that you as a Christian when you want to marry you go to the court. What we are saying is that what has been done and it is already married.
Eléyìí kò wá túmọ̀ sí pé ìwọ onígbàgbọ́ tó bá fẹ́ ṣe ìgbéyàwó ní ìṣèkú wa lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́ ohun táwọn wí ni pé ohun tó o ti ṣe ìgbéyàwó ni.
For John verse 4 said unto him, it is not lawful for thee to take her.
Ẹsẹ̀ kẹrin Jòhánù láti wí fún un pé kò tọ́ fún ọ láti ní.
And so it is clear here that the marriage of Herod was recognized as marriage. I'm not talking of whether he prayed or not before he chose the wife, but once the marriage was contracted, it was recognized as marriage.
Níhìn a rí i pé Ọlọ́run pàápàá mọ̀ ni ó fi ọwọ́ sí ìgbéyàwó Herod ní Herodia àti Fílípì ní.
Recognize the marriage, not that he led them.
Ọlọ́run rí i wípé àwọn méjèèjì ti fẹ́ra wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí tọkọ-tìyàwó ó sì mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ti fẹ́ra wọn bóyá nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe bóyá wọ́n ṣe ètò tó tàbí wọn ò ṣe níwọ̀n ìgbà tí wọ́n ti fẹ́ra wọn àtọ́ bóyá wọ́n ti gbàdúrà tàbí wọn ò gbàdúrà sí Ọlọ́run ṣùgbọ́n náà gbà tí wọ́n ti kó tí wọ́n ti jọ ń gbélé ara wọn Ọlọ́run ti mọ̀ wọ́n ní tọkọ-tìyàwó.
Now look at Luke chapter 16.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo Luke orí 14.
Look at verse 14.
Ẹsẹ̀ 14.
And the Pharisees also, which were covetous, had all these things and derided him.
Àwọn Farisí tí wọ́n sì ní ojú kòkòrò ó sì gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí wọ́n sì yọ ṣùtì sí i.
Now you know that the covetous will not inherit the kingdom of heaven.
Ó mọ̀ wípé àwọn olójú kòkòrò kì yóò lè jogún ìjọba ọ̀run.
And the Pharisees who were covetous who derided Christ were not believers, were not Christians.
Àwọn Farisí wọ́n sì jẹ́ olójú kòkòrò tí wọ́n yọ ṣùtì sí Kristi wọn kì í ṣe onígbàgbọ́.
And he was talking to them from verse 15.
Ó sì ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ láti ẹsẹ̀ 15.
He went on down all through to verse 18.
Ó sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀ títí dé ẹsẹ̀ 18.
It was in verse 18 he told them, whosoever putteth away his wife, he recognized that these Pharisees who had married had already married, and marriage is recognized.
Ní ẹsẹ̀ 18 ló sọ fún wọn pé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ èyí ni pé àwọn Farisí Jésù mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ti fẹ́yàwó wọ́n sì ti ṣe náà nìyẹn.
And it is clear that when Pilate was sitting on the judgment seat, the Bible talks of his wife. He's called wife even though they are not believers. Yet the marriage is still marriage.
A sì lè rántí pé nígbà tí Pílátù tí ó jókòó láti máa ṣe ìdájọ́ nígbà tó mú Kristi wá síwájú rẹ̀ a sọ nípa ìyàwó rẹ̀ tó ránṣẹ́ sí ìyẹn pé Ọlọ́run mọ̀ wípé Pílátù pàápàá ti fẹ́yàwó.
This is not talking about second wife or third wife. It's the only one wife that the Bible recommends, and that fourth wife is recognized for the unbeliever as that unbeliever's wife.
eléyìí kì í ṣe pé à ń sọ nípa ẹni tó ti fẹ́yàwó méjì tàbí mẹ́ta ṣùgbọ́n ìyàwó kan ṣoṣo ni ọlọ́run mọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ àní pàápàá fún aláìgbàgbọ́ ìyàwó kan ṣoṣo náà ni.
And you remember that Cain was not a believer, and the Bible says Cain went out and he took a wife unto himself. So his marriage was recognized, even though he was not a believer.
A ti lè mọ̀ wípé Káínì pàápàá sọ fún wa tó jáde lọ ó sì lọ fẹ́ ìyàwó èyí tó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé aláìgbàgbọ́ ni ìyàwó kan ṣoṣo náà ni ó fẹ́ ọlọ́run sì rí nígbà tó ṣe léyìí.
Now, when that wife is brought home, God has known that these people have married, and death only is the thing that can pass them, even as unbelievers. That's the word of God.
Nígbà tí wọ́n bá ti ṣe eléyìí tí obìnrin bá ti wọnú ilé ọkùnrin gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyàwó rẹ̀ ọlọ́run mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ti fẹ́ ìyàwó ikú nìkan ló sì gbọ́dọ̀ yà wọ́n eléyìí gan ni ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́run.
So this divorce problem, how did Christ solve it?
Nítorí náà wàhálà ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ yìí báwo ni Kristi ṣe yanjú rẹ̀.
Now you know that whether you marry as a believer or as an unbeliever, your first wife or your first husband and your only husband is still your husband if that husband is still alive, or that wife is still your wife if that wife is alive.
O gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ wípé níwọ̀n ìgbà tí o bá ti ní ìyàwó tàbí ọkọ ìyàwó àkọ́kọ́ tí o bá kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ tàbí ọkọ tí o bá kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ ní òwúrọ̀ kùtùkùtù òun ni ọkọ rẹ ìbáàjẹ́ aláìgbàgbọ́ níwọ̀n ìgbà tẹ́ni bá ti wà láàyè tó bá ti jẹ́ obìnrin pàápàá níwọ̀n ìgbà tí obìnrin bá ti wà láàyè ẹni tó kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ yẹn ni ìyàwó rẹ.
We're looking at Matthew chapter 19 verse 4.
Àyè Matthew orí kọkàndínlógún ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrin wò.
And he answered and said unto them, Have ye not said that he which made them at the beginning made them male and female?
Ó dáhùn ó sì wí fún wọn pé ẹ̀yin kò ti kà á pé ẹni tí ó dá wọn ní ìgbà tètè kọ́ ṣe ó dá wọn ti akọ ti abo.
Some people will not want to tell sinners the truth on marriage and divorce. Jesus was talking to Pharisees who were not believers. And he told them very, very clearly, in clear terms, the standard of God on marriage. He asked them, have you not read it? And we ask people today, whether you are Anglican or Methodist or Presbyterian, did you not say it as a marriage vow, until death us do part, for better, for worse? What's the meaning of that?
Àwọn ẹlòmíràn kì í fẹ́ sọ òtítọ́ tó wà níbi ìgbéyàwó wọn kì í fẹ́ sọ wọn kì í fẹ́ wàásù òdodo rẹ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n bá ń ṣe ìgbéyàwó fún àwọn ènìyàn ṣùgbọ́n Jésù Kristi níhìn ó ń bá àwọn tó fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ parí títàn jẹ́ kèfèrí ó ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ó sì mú wọn lọ sí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ wípé ẹ̀yin kò wá ti kà á pé ẹni tó dá wọn látàtì kọ́ tó dá wọn ní takọ àti jabo nítorí náà tí a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ìgbéyàwó lónìí ìbàjẹ́ láàrin Methodist tàbí àwọn Anglican tàbí irú ìjọ yòówù kí a jẹ́ a mọ̀ wípé nígbà tí a ń ṣe ìgbéyàwó ìlérí tí a ń ṣe ni wípé nínú àìsàn àti nínú ìlera títí ikú yóò fi yà wá kí ni ìtumọ̀ eléyìí.
And so Jesus told them, have you not read that he which made them at the beginning made them male and female?
Jésù dá ó sì wí fún wọn pé ẹ̀yin kò tá ti kà á pé ẹni tó dá wọn ní ìgbà àtètè kọ́ṣe ó dá wọn ti akọ ti abo.
Wherefore they are no more twain but one flesh.
Ó sì wí pé nítorí èyí nítorí náà wọn kì í ṣe méjì mọ́ bí kò jẹ́ ara kan.
It says they are one flesh because they have married.
Ó ní wọ́n jẹ́ ara kan nítorí pé wọ́n ti ṣègbéyàwó.
And Jesus said, what God has joined together, let not man put asunder.
Jésù wá wípé nítorí náà ohun tí Ọlọ́run bá so ṣọ̀kan kí ènìyàn kí ó má ṣe yà wọ́n.
Really, that is the end of Jesus' teaching on the permanency of marriage.
Ẹni tòótọ́ eléyìí gan ni òpin ẹ̀kọ́ tí Jésù kọ́ wọn nípa ìgbéyàwó tí kò gbọdọ̀ yẹ̀.
This is the end of his answer to the first question they asked. Can a man put away his wife for every cause? He referred them back to the beginning and said, once they marry, they are one flesh. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder, and he put a full stop.
Pẹ̀lú ìdáhùn yìí Jésù Kristi ti fi òpin sí ìdáhùn ìbéèrè tí wọ́n bi léèrè wípé ǹjọ́ wa tọ́ fún ọkùnrin láti kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo. Ó mú ọ lọ sí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ wípé láti àtètèkọ́ ṣe ẹni tó dá wọn ní takọ-tabo. Nítorí náà wọn kì í ṣe méjì mọ́ ṣùgbọ́n di ara kan. Nítorí náà ohun tí Ọlọ́run bá ti so pọ̀ kí ẹnikẹ́ni má ṣe yà wọ́n ó sì dúró síbẹ̀.
But because these Pharisees still wanted excuses.
Ṣùgbọ́n torí pé àwọn Farisí wọ́n sì ń wá àwáwí síbẹ̀.
And they have not left Moses to believe Jesus.
Wọn kò sì sí ìfi Mósè sílẹ̀ kí wọ́n gba Jésù gbọ́.
Now they ask a question about what Moses permitted them to do.
Wọ́n wá ń béèrè nípa àyè tí Mósè fi gbà wọ́n.
And they say unto him, why did Moses then command to give a writing of divorcement and put her away?
Wọ́n wí fún un pé èé ṣe tí Mósè fi àṣẹ fún wa wípé kí a fi ìwé ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ fún un kí a sì kọ̀ ọ́ sílẹ̀.
Now, then Jesus Christ answered in verse 8, he says unto them, Moses, because of the hardness of your heart.
Ní ẹsẹ̀ kẹjọ Jésù wá dá wọn lóhùn ó wí fún wọn pé nítorí líle àyà yín ni.
Not because the Father in heaven wanted you to divorce, but because of the hardness of your heart.
Kì í ṣe pé bàbá yín tí ń bẹ ní ọ̀run ó ní nílùú sí ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n nítorí líle àyà yín ni.
Not because the plan of God in marriage is that if it's not convenient you can divorce, but because of the hardness of your heart.
Kì í ṣe pé nítorí pé ó jẹ́ ìdùnnú Ọlọ́run pé tí ó bá dàbí pé kò rọrùn kí a kọ̀ sílẹ̀ kí a fi wá mìíràn ṣùgbọ́n nítorí líle àyà yín ni.
He suffered you to put away your wife.
Òun ló ṣe jẹ́ fún yín láti máa kọ aya yín sílẹ̀.
But from the beginning it was not so.
Ṣùgbọ́n láti ìgbà àtẹ̀tẹ̀ kan ṣe wá kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
There are people who still hold on to that.
Àwọn ẹlòmíràn wà tó ń sì jẹ́ eléyìí mú síbẹ̀.
When somebody doesn't have the Holy Spirit like we had last night, his interpretation of the word of God cannot be dependable.
Nígbà tí ènìyàn kan bá wà láì ní agbára ẹ̀mí mọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti gbọ́ ní alẹ́ àná, ìṣe ìtumọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run yẹ kò ní jẹ́ nǹkan tí èèyàn lè fẹ́ tí ó lè fẹ́ tí èèyàn lè dì mú.
And so some of the people will say, well, my husband has a hardness of heart, and because of the hardness of his heart, I'm going to do this.
Nítorí náà àwọn ẹlòmíràn á wí pé àyà ọkọ mi ní àyà líle nítorí àyà líle rẹ̀ máa fi sílẹ̀.
And others will say, well, I love God and I want to be an evangelist, I want to be a preacher, but my wife is a terrible woman.
Ẹlòmíràn á wí pé mo fẹ́ràn Ọlọ́run, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ oníwàásù, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ ajíhìnrere ṣùgbọ́n ìyàwó mi ó máa burú jọjọ o.
And she will not attend to the gospel, she will not listen to the gospel. Her heart is like it, so it will take a miracle to convert her.
Kò ní fẹ́ gbọ́ ìrere, kò ní fẹ́ lọ síbi ìrere, ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ àyà rẹ̀ dàbí òkúta, iṣẹ́ ìyanu gbáà ló lè yí padà.
I don't want to leave her, but because of the hardness of her heart, I'm going to leave her.
Mi ò fẹ́ kọ̀ sílẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n nítorí líle àyà rẹ̀ màá kọ̀ sílẹ̀.
But the Pharisees who were standing before Jesus Christ still had that hardness in their heart.
Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn Farisí tó dúró níwájú Jésù Kristi síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ àyà wọn sì le náà sí.
They were not saved, they were not sanctified.
Àwọn kò tí ì dẹni ìgbàlà, a kò sì tí ì sọ wọ́n di mímọ́
They
pẹ̀lú.
came to Jesus Christ asking a question to tempt him, to trip him, and to trap him into a net.
Wọ́n wá bí Jésù Kristi léèrè ọ̀rọ̀ kan kó bá a lè dán wò kan kó lè fi sínú pàkúté kan kó lè kó wàhálà bá.
And since they came to him, they had not prayed for forgiveness. They didn't even make restitution that we came to tempt you.
Nítorí láti ìgbà tí wọ́n sì wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀ wọn kò tọrọ fún ìdáríjì tàbí kí wọ́n ṣe àtúnṣe wípé àwa láti wá dán wò ní.
That same hardness was still in their hearts there.
Nítorí náà líle àyà yìí yóò sì wà níbẹ̀ síbẹ̀.
But look at what Jesus said to these people now, standing before him with the hardness in their heart.
Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tí Jésù bá àwọn ènìyàn yìí sọ tí wọ́n dúró níwájú rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú líle àyà wọn.
Verse 9, and I say unto you, you Pharisees who are standing before me now, even though you are not converted, even though you have hardness in your heart, the time of Moses has passed. This is now the age where grace and truth will take over, I say unto you.
Mo sì wí fún yín, Jésù sọ fún àwọn Farisí pé ẹ̀yin Farisí dẹ́gbẹ́ olúwájú mi àti Sadusí. Mo wí fún yín nísinsìnyí wípé àkókò ti Mósè ó ti kọjá lọ, àkókò oore ọ̀fẹ́ àti ìgbàgbọ́ òun ni a wà yìí.
Whosoever shall put away his wife.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó bá kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
Whosoever shall put away his wife.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó bá kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
Except it be for fornication.
Bí kò ṣe nítorí àgbèrè.
And shall marry another.
Tí ó sì gbé òmíràn ní ìyàwó.
Committed adultery.
Ó ṣe panṣágà.
And whosoever shall marry her which is put away does commit adultery.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó bá sì gbé ẹni tí a kọ̀ sílẹ̀ ní ìyàwó ó ṣe panṣágà.
Now, what Jesus Christ said.
Ohun tí Jésù Kristi wí ní.
There are many people who misunderstand it.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ni ó fi kì í gbọ́.
And there are many preachers who have misunderstood it.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ oníwàásù ni ó sì ti fi ọ̀rọ̀ yìí túmọ̀ pẹ̀lú.
But we thank God because everybody has the Bible to read.
Ṣùgbọ́n a dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run pé olúkúlùkù ló ní Bíbélì láti kà.
Jesus said that whosoever shall put away his wife except it be for fornication.
Jésù wí pé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ bí kò tó nítorí àgbèrè.
And so people have come about with a new theory.
Nítorí náà àwọn èèyàn ti wá pẹ̀lú oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀kọ́ tuntun.
Oh, they say that is true, that fornication means a law.
Wọ́n sọ pé nítòótọ́ ní ilé ṣùgbọ́n àgbèrè yẹn ó túmọ̀ sí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan.
That if you look on a woman to love her, even if you don't touch her, if you don't do anything, if you have the moral thought towards that other person, that's adultery, and an adultery is still part of fornication. So that person has committed fornication. Therefore, you have grounds, you can divorce her.
Wípé bí èèyàn tilẹ̀ wo obìnrin lásán tí ó sì ní èrò ìfẹ́kùfẹ́ nínú ọkàn rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run ó ti gbọ́ ti bá dẹ́ṣẹ̀ panṣágà nítorí náà ó ní àǹfààní láti kọ ènìyàn sílẹ̀.
Well, if a woman, they will say, can kiss another man which is not the husband, this is part of fornication, and according to the word of Jesus, she can be divorced.
Tí ìyàwó ẹnìkan bá lọ fi ẹnu kó ọkùnrin mìíràn lẹ́nu irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àlàyé Jésù Kristi ó ti ṣe àgbèrò àtàbí panṣágà ìkan náà ni wọ́n ó lè kọ̀ sílẹ̀.
If this person left your house and then slept a day outside with one man, then you can divorce her because this is part of fornication.
Tàbí bí obìnrin tó bá fi ilé rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ kan tó bá lọ sùn pẹ̀lú ẹlòmíràn nígbà náà ara àgbèrè náà nìyí ó ti ṣe panṣágà ó lè kọ̀ sílẹ̀.
Now remember that Jesus Christ was talking to the Pharisees.
Rántí pé Jésù Kristi ń bá àwọn Farisí sọ̀rọ̀.
And remember that the Pharisees knew the old Mosaic law very, very much.
Sì mọ̀ dájú pé àwọn Farisí bákan náà wọ́n mọ òfin Mósè dájúdájú.
And remember that they were still sinners as well.
Ìrántí pẹ̀lú pé ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ni wọ́n síbẹ̀.
If like the interpretation of this preacher, if a man looks at a woman with a lustful intention in his heart, and if that is fornication, then every woman will have a right to divorce her husband.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìtumọ̀ àwọn oníwàásù pé tí èèyàn bá lọ ní èrò búburú èrò kérò nínú ọkàn rẹ̀ nígbà tó bá wo obìnrin ó ti dẹ́ṣẹ̀ àgbèrè yẹn nítorí náà á wá jẹ́ ẹ̀tọ́ fún gbogbo obìnrin láti kọ ọkọ rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
Most of the sinners in the world go to dancing houses and they don't go with their wives many times. How can a man dance with another woman when he's not sold and he will not have something in the heart that will be impure, imperfect? Of course, if that is fornication, then the wife could have divorced and everybody can divorce them.
Gbogbo alamọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ló máa ń lọ sí ilé ijó láti lọ jó tí wọ́n bá sì ń lọ ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn kì í mú ìyàwó wọn dání obìnrin olóbìnrin náà máa bá jó nígbà tí wọ́n bá sì ń bá obìnrin mìíràn jó nígbà tí wọ́n kì í ṣe òkúta báwo ni èrò búburú àti ìfẹ́kùfẹ́ kò ṣe ní wá sọ́kàn wọn tí wọ́n bá sì ṣe eléyìí ó jẹ́ pé gbogbo wọn lónìí wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ ti kọ̀yàwó wọn sílẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n wọn kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
If it is that easy to be able to divorce, the disciples will not have said what they said in verse 10.
Tó bá sì jẹ́ pé rọrùn tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti kọ ìyàwó sílẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ ìjésù ò ní sọ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ ní ẹsẹ̀ kẹwàá.
In verse 10, his disciples say unto him, if the case of a man be with his wife, so be, if the case of the man be so with his wife, it is not good to marry. It is too difficult to marry.
Àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ wí fún pé bí ọ̀rọ̀ ọkùnrin bá rí báyìí sí aya rẹ̀ kò ṣàǹfààní láti gbéyàwó wọ́n wí pé ó nira jù ajẹ́ pé kò ó kúkú sàn kí ẹ má fẹ́ yàwó.
The disciples who understood Jesus Christ,
àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ tí ọ̀rọ̀ tí Jésù sọ yé.
they were saying, Jesus, what did you say?
Wọ́n sọ pé Jésù kí ni nǹkan tó ń wí gan.
He said, except for fornication.
Òun ní àyàfi nítorí àgbèrè.
That means that if the wife does any other thing, if it is not fornication, that she cannot be divorced.
Èyí ni pé tí ìyàwó rẹ̀ bá lọ ṣe nǹkan mìíràn tí kì í bá ti ṣe àgbèrè a kò lè kọ̀ sílẹ̀ nìyẹn.
If the wife became paralyzed on one part of the body, she cannot be divorced.
Tí obìnrin bá lọ tí ara rẹ̀ bá kú ní ìlàjì ara dájú ajẹ́ pé wọn kò ní lè kọ̀ sílẹ̀ bákan náà.
If the man has an accident and because the accident is taken to the orthopedic hospital and they have to amputate the leg, he cannot be divorced.
Tí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá lọ ní jàǹbá mọ́tò tí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ kan sì gbé tí wọ́n gbé lọ sílé ìwòsàn tí wọ́n gbé ẹsẹ̀ yìí kan kúrò síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò ìyàwó gbọdọ̀ kọ́kọ́ ìdílé.
It is for better and for worse.
Nítorí ó wà fún ire àti búburú ni.
That is why you must personally fear any church that changes that marriage vow. And then when they are marrying people, they say for better, for best, and for health, and for prosperity, for everything, everybody in the church will say amen. It is not right, it is still for better, for worse.
Nítorí náà o ní láti bẹ̀rù kí o sì sá fún ìjọkíjọ tí ó bá yí ètò ìgbéyàwó padà sí tí wọ́n sọ wípé fún ire àti ire fún ọ nígbà owó àti nígbà níní tí wọ́n yí padà a gbọ́dọ̀ sá fún ìjọba nítorí pé ní ìgbà ibi àti nígbà ire ni awí kò yí padà.
At the time of sickness, at the time the woman is searching for child, when she is not attractive, you cannot divorce her and then go to a woman outside.
Nígbà àìsàn tàbí nígbà tí obìnrin bá wúwo fún oyún tí ó sì dàbẹ̀ pé kò tiẹ̀ wú ni lójú síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ o kò ní láti kọ ìyàwó rẹ̀ o kò ní láti pa ìyá rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ o ní láti rọ̀ mọ́ náà ni.
If she does not know how to cook, how to feed the child, how to wash herself, how to wash clothes, she cannot be divorced. That's why Peter and the others said, Jesus, this new kingdom laws and rules are difficult. If the case of the man be so with his wife, it is not good to marry.
Bí obìnrin yìí kò bá mọ lẹ́gbá tí ò lè ṣe ń jẹ tí ò lè fọṣọ tí ò mọ bí a ti wẹ̀ síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ wọn kò lè kọ̀ sílẹ̀ ìdí ìbámu ẹni sọ pé Jésù òfin májẹ̀mú tuntun ti ìjọba tuntun ó mà nira yẹn pé bó bá rí báyìí ò gbọdọ̀ kọ̀ ìyàwó ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ náà síbẹ̀.
And so you can see that people who misinterpret the except for fornication, they interpret it in a way that it is easy to be divorced.
Nítorí náà àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ń túmọ̀ ọbẹ̀ àyàfi nítorí àgbèrè sí ọ̀nà tiwọn èyí ni pé wọ́n mú ọ̀rọ̀ ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ rọrùn fún ènìyàn láti ṣe.
Well, we are going to examine the references that touch on divorce.
Àwọn òye àwọn ẹsẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Bíbélì wòrí tí ó sọ nípa ìkọ̀sílẹ̀.
And we are going to read them through one by one.
A ó sì kà wọ́n ní títẹ̀ntẹ̀lé.
And then you are going to see for yourself.
Ìwọ náà yóò sì rí fúnra rẹ̀.
The interpretation of that except for fornication ought to be.
Ohun tí ìtumọ̀ àyàfi nítorí àgbèrè tó bá já sí.
Already you have seen that it cannot be just a simple thing that a man looks on a woman or did something that is impure, because if it was so, almost everybody would be justified to divorce. But it is not that easy. That is why the disciples cried and said, "This is difficult."
Ní ti ṣe o ti mọ̀ wípé kì í ṣe pé bóyá tí ẹnìkan bá ti wọ ẹnìkan pẹ̀lú ìfẹ́kúfẹ́ nínú ọkàn rẹ̀ ó lè kọ̀ sí ẹni tàbí tó bá ti ṣe nǹkan ṣá ó lè kọ̀ sílẹ̀ rárá àti mọ̀ pé kò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gbogbo yẹn bá ti ní àǹfààní àti kọ ìyàwó tàbí ọkọ wọn sílẹ̀. Ìdí nígbà àwọn ọmọ ìsìn sọ pé ó nira lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
Matthew chapter 5.
Matthew orí 5.
We're looking at verses 31 and 32.
Ẹsẹ̀ ìkọkànlélọ́gbọ̀n àti ìkejìlélọ́gbọ̀n.
It has been said, "Whosoever shall put away his wife."
Àti wí pẹ̀lú pé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
Let him give her a writing of divorcement.
Jẹ́ kó fi ìwé ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ lé lọ́wọ́.
But I say unto you.
Ṣùgbọ́n èmi wí fún yín.
Which means that Jesus Christ disagreed with what Moses, the concession, the permission that Moses gave to the people.
Èyí ni pé Jésù tó sì ń lòdì sí àṣẹ tàbí àǹfààní tó fún àwọn ènìyàn.
Moses gave them that concession or that permission because of the hardness of their heart.
Mósè gbà wọ́n ní ààyè yìí tàbí fún wọn ní àṣẹ nítorí líle àyà wọn ni.
Jesus Christ the judge, you will judge the quick and the dead, the living and the dead. He said, "But I say unto you."
Ṣùgbọ́n Jésù Kristi ẹni tí ń ṣe onídàájọ́ gbogbo àlàyé àti òkú gbogbo ènìyàn ó wí pé ṣùgbọ́n èmi wí fún yín.
That whosoever shall put away his wife, saving for the cause of fornication, causes her to commit adultery.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá pa aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ bí kò ṣe nítorí àgbèrè ó mú un ṣe panṣágà.
And whosoever shall marry her that is divorced committed adultery.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó bá sì gbẹ́ni tí a kọ̀ sílẹ̀ ní ìyàwó ó ṣe panṣágà.
That is, it is wrong for you to marry somebody who has been divorced.
Èyí ni pé ó jẹ́ ohun tó lòdì fún ọ láti fẹ́ ẹnìkan tó ti kọ aya tàbí ọkọ rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
Let us look at Mark chapter 10.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo Máàkù orí 10
and see the passage that still talks on this problem of divorce.
Kí á sì wo àwọn ẹsẹ̀ Ọlọ́run tí ó tún sọ nípa wàhálà ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ yìí.
Mark chapter 10.
Máàkù orí 10
verses 11 and verse 12.
Ẹsẹ̀ 11 àti 12.
He says unto them, "Whosoever shall put away his wife and marry another committed adultery against her."
Ó sì wí fún wọn pé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá fẹ́ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tó bá sì gbé òmíràn ní ìyàwó ó ṣe panṣágà sí i.
You will recognize that in Matthew, when we read Matthew, it talks about the man putting away the wife.
Ó rántí pé nígbà tí a kà inú ìwé Matthew ó sọ nípa àti ọkùnrin tí ó rà lásìkò ìyàwó rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
But now Mark makes it clearer and says that the woman is not allowed to put away the man as well. It's both ways.
Ṣùgbọ́n nísinsìnyí Máàkù wá jẹ́ kí ó yé wa gédégbé ó wá sọ nípa ti ara pé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
Verse 12, and if a woman, verse 11 are talked about a man. Now verse 12, and if a woman shall put away her husband and be married to another, she committed adultery.
Ẹsẹ̀ 11 sọ nípa ti ọkùnrin pé kò gbọdọ̀ kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹsẹ̀ 12 wípé bí obìnrin kan bá sì fi ọkọ rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tí a bá sì gbé níyàwó fún ẹlòmíràn ó ṣe panṣágà.
Now you will recognize that here in Mark is also given a put except for fornication.
Ó rí wípé nínú ìrètí Máàkù yìí kò tilẹ̀ fi ṣùgbọ́n kan pé bóyá nítorí àgbèrè síbẹ̀.
And when the Holy Spirit does not put something, there is a reason for not putting it.
Nígbà tí ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run kò bá sì fi nǹkan kan sínú ẹ̀ tí kò wá fi nǹkan kan kún ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ní ìdí tó fi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
When the Holy Spirit puts something, there is a reason for putting it.
Nígbà tí ẹ̀mí mọ́ Ọlọ́run tí ó bá sì fi nǹkan mìíràn kún ó ní ìdí tó fi kún pẹ̀lú.
You will see the reason later.
Ó rí ìdí ìdàrúgbà tí a jẹ́ tẹ̀síwájú.
Luke 16 verse 18.
Lúùkù orí 13 ẹsẹ̀ 22.
Luke 16:18.
Lúùkù orí 13 ẹsẹ̀ 22.
Whosoever putteth away his wife and marries another committed adultery.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tí ó sì gbé òmíràn ní ìyàwó ó ṣe panṣágà. panṣágà.
You will see again that the step of fornication is committed here and the Holy Spirit has a reason.
Ó rí wípé ní ìyá kò fi kún wípé àyàfi nítorí àgbèrè ẹ̀mí mọ́ tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó nídìí kan.
And whosoever marries her that is put away from her husband commits adultery.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá sì gbé ẹni tí ọkọ rẹ̀ kọ̀ sílẹ̀ ní ìyàwó ó ṣe panṣágà.
And then we want to see in Romans chapter 7.
A fẹ́ yọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ̀ nínú Róòmù orí keje.
Romans chapter 7.
Àwọn ará Róòmù orí keje.
And you remember that it was Paul who wrote the epistle to the Romans.
Ó sì rántí pé Pọ́ọ̀lù ni ó kọ ẹ̀písẹ́lì sí àwọn ará
You
Róòmù.
will also recognize that the Romans were not Jews.
Ó sì lè mọ̀ pẹ̀lú pé àwọn ará Róòmù kì í ṣe Júù.
And these were people who had received the Lord, who had come to the Lord as their personal Savior.
Àwọn ènìyàn wọ̀nyí sì lẹni tó ti gbọ́ Olúwa gẹ́gẹ́ bí olùgbàlà wọn.
And he was teaching them on marriage at this time.
Ó sì ń kọ́ wọn nípa ìgbéyàwó ní àkókò yìí.
And he was now talking in chapter 7 of Romans.
Ó sì ń sọ nínú ẹsẹ̀ ìkeje Róòmù.
Then let me tell you something.
Jẹ́ kí wọ́n sọ wọn kan fún ọ.
That the people who were at Rome, who had the epistle to the Romans, they didn't get any other epistle to read because the Bible was not put at that time into a single book.
Ẹ̀wù tí àwọn tó wà ní Róòmù nígbà náà wọn kò ní àǹfààní àti ka ẹ̀písẹ́lì mìíràn tàbí ohun mìíràn nítorí pé nígbà náà a kò tí ì ka gbogbo àwọn ìwé bíbélì papọ̀ sójú kan náà.
All the teaching on divorce or marriage or whatever it is for marriage that they had was in just what I'm going to read now.
Ohun gbogbo tí wọ́n gbọ́ nípa ìgbéyàwó ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ àti gbogbo rẹ̀ ojú kan ṣe tí wọ́n rí kà náà nìyí.
And we're reading Romans chapter 7 from verse 1 to verse 3.
Róòmù orí keje ẹsẹ̀ ìkejì dé ìkẹtàlá.
Know ye not, brethren, for I speak to them that know the law.
Tàbí ẹ̀yin ha ṣe aláìmọ̀ ọ̀rá nítorí àwa tí ó mọ òfin lè mí ń bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Well, you know that they could know the law because in Romans chapter 2, he had told them that the Gentiles who had not the law, when they did things contrary to the law, they were accused. When they did things according to the law, they were excused. And therefore, they not having the law, show that the law is written on their heart.
Ló ti jáde mọ̀ pé bóyá wọ́n á mọ òfin nítorí pé ní oríkejì ó sọ fún wọn wípé àwọn kèfèrí tí kò mọ òfin a kò dá lẹ́jọ́ nípa òfin ṣùgbọ́n nítorí pé wọ́n ti wá gbọ́rọ̀ Ọlọ́run báyìí a ti kọ òfin sí àyà wọn.
He says that when they do things according to the law, they are justified. When they do things against the law, they are accused. So it shows that law has been written in their heart.
Pé nígbà tí wọ́n bá hùwà lòdì sí òfin, a ó dá wọn lẹ́bi. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí wọ́n bá ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí òfin ti wí, a ó dá wọn láì eléyìí fi hàn wípé a ti kọ òfin yìí sí àyà wọn.
And so Paul was saying, know ye not, brethren, for I speak to them that know the law. How that the law has dominion over a man as long as he lives.
Tàbí ẹ̀yin àti aláìmọ̀ ara nítorí àwọn tí ó mọ òfin lè mí bá sọ̀rọ̀. Pé òfin ní ipá lórí ènìyàn níwọ̀n ìgbà tí ó bá wà láàyè.
A woman which has an husband is bound by the law to her husband so long as he lives.
Nítorí obìnrin tí ó ní ọkọ ìwọ̀n ìgbà tí ọkọ náà wà láàyè á fi òfin dè é mọ́ ọkọ náà.
But if the woman be dead, she is loose from the law of her husband.
Ṣùgbọ́n bí ọkọ náà bá kú á tú u sílẹ̀ kúrò nínú òfin ọkọ rẹ̀.
It is death that stops the marriage vow or stops the marriage relationship that terminates the marriage contract.
Ikú ni ó máa ń fi òpin sí àdéhùn tí ọkọ àti ìyàwó ṣe ní ọjọ́ ìgbéyàwó.
And in verse 3 it says, so then if while her husband liveth, she be married to another man, she shall be called an adulteress.
Ní ẹsẹ̀ kẹta wá wípé ǹjẹ́ bí ó bá ní ọkọ mìíràn nígbà tí ọkọ rẹ̀ wà láàyè, panṣágà ni a ó pè é.
But if her husband be dead, she is free from that law, so that she is no adulteress, though she be married to another man. That's after the death of the husband.
Ṣùgbọ́n bí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá kú, ó bọ́ lọ́wọ́ òfin náà, yóò sì jẹ́ panṣágà bí ó bá ní ọkọ mìíràn mọ́ yìí ni pé lẹ́yìn tí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá ti kú.
I'm looking at 1 Corinthians chapter 7.
Kọ́ríńtì kìíní orí keje.
We were looking at all these things that relate to marriage and divorce.
À ń yẹ gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí tí ó sọ nípa wàhálà ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ yìí àti ìgbéyàwó.
1 Corinthians chapter 7.
Kọ́ríńtì kìíní orí keje.
Verse 10.
Ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹwàá.
Unto the married I command, yet not I, but the Lord. Let not the wife depart from her husband.
Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tí ó ti gbéyàwó ni mo sì ń pàṣẹ fún. Ṣùgbọ́n kì í ṣe èmi bí kò ṣe Olúwa kí aya má ṣe fi ọkọ rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
But and if she depart, let her remain unmarried.
Ṣùgbọ́n bí ó bá sì fi sílẹ̀ tí ó wà ní àìlọ́kọ.
That one is separation. Separation is different from divorce.
Eléyìí jẹ́ ìyapa yàtọ̀ sí ìkọ̀sílẹ̀.
That is, if you separate from your wife or separate from your husband because of one reason or the other, it means you are saying you want to live without enjoying marital privileges anymore. If the divorce letter remain unmarried, or which is better, they reconcile to her husband.
Èyí ni pé tí o bá yàn láti fi ọkọ tàbí ìyàwó rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ bóyá nítorí ìdààmú tàbí wàhálà kan, èyí ni pé o fẹ́ dá wà gedegbe, o kò sì ní àǹfààní tí ẹni tó wà nílé ọkọ máa ń jẹ, o fẹ́ dá dó gedegbe fúnra rẹ̀. Nígbà náà ni o lè ṣe lè, ṣùgbọ́n tí o kò bá lè faradà kí o lọ bá ọkọ rẹ̀ làjà.
And let not the husband put away his wife.
Kí ọkọ kí ó má kọ aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
I'm looking at verse 39.
Mo ń wo ẹsẹ̀ kọkàndínlógójì.
The wife is bound by the law as long as her husband liveth.
A fi òfin dé obìnrin níwọ̀n ìgbà tí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá wà láàyè.
But if her husband be dead, she is at liberty to be married to whom she will. Only in the Lord after the death of the husband.
Ṣùgbọ́n bí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá kú, ó di òmìnira láti bá ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó wù gbéyàwó kìkì nínú Olúwa lẹ́yìn tí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá kú tán.
People neglect verses 10 and 11 and they neglect verse 39.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn ni ó máa ń gbójú fún ẹsẹ̀ kẹwàá àti kọkànlá àti ẹsẹ̀ kọkàndínlógójì.
Just read verses 12 to 16 and interpret verses 12 to 16 alone in isolation without looking at verse 39.
Wọ́n sì wá kà láti ẹsẹ̀ kejìlá títí ẹsẹ̀ kẹrìnlélógún. Wọ́n wá ṣe ìtumọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lọ́tọ̀ gedegbe láì yẹ ẹsẹ̀ kọkàndínlógójì wò.
Verse 39 is saying that in this chapter, if you are married, and you cannot divorce until if your husband dies alone, that is the time you can marry another person.
Ẹsẹ̀ kọkàndínlógún tí ó parí orí yìí ó wá sọ wípé nínú ọgbà tí ó bá ti níyàwó tàbí tí ó bá ní ọkọ, ó lè kọ̀ ọ́ sílẹ̀ àfi tí ó bá kú.
Not the will of God.
Àti pé kí ìyapa pàápàá kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
Even when you leave your husband and you say, well, I'm not going to enjoy marital privileges, I'm going to live alone, I will cater for myself, I'll cook for myself, I'll provide for myself. It is not the perfect will of God.
Pàápàá ní tí o bá fi yára sọ́tọ̀ kúrò lọ́dọ̀ ìyàwó rẹ̀ tí ó sọ wípé o fẹ́ dá wà, ó máa ṣe oúnjẹ fúnra, ó máa ṣe gbogbo fúnra rẹ̀. Eléyìí kò bá ìfẹ́ pípé Ọlọ́run mu.
But because of the situation of the Corinthians, their difficulty,
ṣùgbọ́n nítorí wàhálà tí ó wà láàrin àwọn ará Kọ́ríńtì,
Paul was giving them a permission to separate without remarrying.
Ṣùgbọ́n nítorí náà ni Pọ́ọ̀lù ṣe fún ọ ní ààyè láti yapa, ṣùgbọ́n kì í ṣe láti tún lọ fẹ́ ìyàwó tàbí ọkọ mìíràn.
Because if he gave them a permission and a right to marry when the husband or the wife is still alive, he cannot say what he said in verse 39.
Nítorí tó bá jẹ́ pé ó fún ọ ní ààyè láti kọ ìyàwó tàbí ọkọ sílẹ̀ nígbà tí irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti wà láàyè, kò ní wá sọ ohun tó sọ ní ẹsẹ̀ kọkàndínlógójì.
Because in verse 39 he tells them very emphatically, telling the Corinthians, and this is the conclusion of his marriage writing he wrote here, he said, the wife is bound by the law as long as her husband liveth.
Ó wá sọ ní ẹsẹ̀ ìkọkàndínlógójì ní ìparí gbogbo ohun tó sọ nípa ìgbéyàwó pátápátá wípé a fi òfin de obìnrin níwọ̀n ìgbà tí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá wà láàyè.
But if her husband be dead, only death alone.
Ṣùgbọ́n bí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá kú, àní ikú nìkan ṣoṣo.
Only then she is at liberty to be married to whom she will, and even then, only in the Lord.
Ìgbà náà ló di òmìnira láti bá ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó wù ú gbéyàwó, ṣùgbọ́n kìkì nínú Olúwa tún ni.
And that means that she will go and marry somebody who is alone.
Èyí ni pé yóò lọ fẹ́ ẹnìkan tí ó dá wà lóhùn nìkan.
That means if your husband dies and you are now at the age of 48 as a woman.
Èyí ni pé tí o bá jẹ́ ọmọ ọdún méjìdínláàádọ́ta gẹ́gẹ́ bí obìnrin tí ọkọ rẹ̀ sì ti kú.
And you say you still want to marry.
Tí o sì ní o tún fẹ́ lọ́kọ.
The Bible says it's all right, you can still marry.
Bíbélì sọ pé ó dára bẹ́ẹ̀ láti tún lọ́kọ.
But only in the Lord.
Ṣùgbọ́n nínú Olúwa nìkan ni.
Only in the Lord means it cannot be an unbeliever.
Nínú Olúwa ìtumọ̀ sí pé kò gbọdọ̀ jẹ́ aláìgbàgbọ́.
And obviously,
àti pé dájúdájú.
It cannot be somebody who is a Christian who has married another person and you will be the second wife there. It cannot be.
Kò lè wá jẹ́ onígbàgbọ́ tí ó ti fẹ́ ìyàwó kan tẹ́lẹ̀ kí ó tún wá ṣe ìyàwó kejì, kò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Well, sometimes there are some young boys who say that it is the will of God for them to marry such people.
Ìgbà mìíràn lè rí àwọn ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin tó sọ pé ìfẹ́ Ọlọ́run fún àwọn ní láti fẹ́rù àwọn ènìyàn bẹ́ẹ̀.
Well, when you pray and you say you know the will of God, you are at the age of 26 and it's the will of God for you to marry the woman whose husband has died. and she's 48 and it's the will of God, we can't argue with the will of God. Go ahead.
Tí o bá jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin bí ọdún mẹ́tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n tí o sì ní o gbàdúrà o ti mọ ìfẹ́ Ọlọ́run pé kí o lọ fẹ́ ẹni ọdún méjìdínláàádọ́ta, a ò lè bẹ́ẹ̀ jiyàn pẹ̀lú ohun tó sọ pé Ọlọ́run sọ fún ẹ, tẹ̀síwájú máa ṣe lọ.
But that means at the age of 26 we are going to cater for all the children that old woman has.
Èyí ni pé ní ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n yìí ìwọ ló ṣètọ́jú gbogbo obìnrin tí gbogbo ọmọ tí àgbàlagbà obìnrin yìí ti bí.
And she will soon pass her age of bearing children if she has not passed it at the age of 45.
Yóò sì wá di ẹni tí kò tún lè bímọ tí kò bá tiẹ̀ sí ìkọjá rẹ̀ ní ọmọ ọdún márùnlélógójì.
And then she hasn't too much long time to live, she will soon die and then leave you together for those children to care for.
Kò sì ní èkó iṣẹ́ tó tún ní ọdún púpọ̀ láti lò kò ní pẹ́ kó tó bá sì kú tán a máa fi àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ fún ẹ kó máa tọ́jú wọn.
But if it is the will of God, well, you know, God bless you.
Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá jẹ́ ìfẹ́ Ọlọ́run ìwọ ló mọ̀, tẹ̀síwájú Ọlọ́run á bùkún ọ.
But what the 1 Corinthians chapter 7 says.
Ṣùgbọ́n ohun tí a sọ ní Kọ́ríńtì kínní oríkeje wí ni pé.
In verse 39 is that you are not allowed to marry until the husband or the wife is dead.
Wípé a kò fún ọ láàyè láti lọ fẹ́ ọkọ mìíràn àfi tí ọkọ rẹ̀ bá kú.
Sometimes to a man.
Nígbà mìíràn bóyá ọkùnrin
you were married before.
O ti níyàwó tẹ́lẹ̀.
And the wife has now died.
Ìyàwó rẹ̀ sì ti wá
And
kú.
you have many children.
O sì ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ.
And then you see other women in the fold, in the fellowship.
O sì wá rí àwọn ọmọbìnrin mìíràn nínú àpéjọpọ̀ báyìí.
Maybe you are above 40.
Bóyá ìwọ ti ju ọmọ ogójì
There
ọdún lọ.
are people in the fellowship whose husbands have died, your own wife has died.
Bóyá orí àwọn ẹlòmíràn tí ọkọ wọn ti kú, ìyàwó tiẹ̀ pàpà ti
But when
kú.
you go to pray,
Nígbà tó bá lọ gbàdúrà.
you don't want to be led to any of the women whose husbands have died and who are free to marry. You want to be led to members of the choir who are 24 or 23 or 28.
Nígbà tí o bá lọ gbàdúrà, o ò ní fẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run kó darí ẹ̀ sí ẹni tí ọkọ rẹ̀ ti kú yẹn tó ti dàgbà bíi tiẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n àfẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run kó darí ẹ̀ sí àwọn ọmọbìnrin tó wà nínú akọrin, àwọn ọmọ ọdún méjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n, àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
And as an old person, you want these little girls who are still studying and getting on in their education to be trapped into bondage.
Àti àìwọ́ àgbàlagbà wà á sì wá fẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké wọ̀nyí tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wà níléèwé tó ń dàgbà nínú ẹ̀kọ́ wọn.
You say,
Wà á fẹ́ kókó
I
sípà
cannot
kúté rẹ̀.
speak for my children.
Mi ò lè gbọ́njẹ fáwọn ọmọ mi.
I am a man and I have about 5 children to cater for.
Ọkùnrin ni mí mo sì ní bí ọmọ 5 láti tọ́jú.
And children of God, when we're in difficulty, you must help us.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ọlọ́run nígbà tó bá ti wà nínú ìṣòro ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ràn wá
I'm
lọ́wọ́.
looking for somebody to marry.
Mò ń wẹ̀ nìkan tí wọ́n fẹ́.
And I am praying.
Mo sì ń gbàdúrà.
I will never think of any of the people whose husbands have died because you feel that the new people whose bloods are fresh according to you is the people you want.
O sì ní gbàdúrà pé kí Ọlọ́run kó darí ẹ̀ sí kan nínú àwọn tí ọkọ rẹ̀ ti kú tó jẹ́ àgbàlagbà. Ṣùgbọ́n nítorí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìfẹ́ ọkàn rẹ̀, àwọn ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ tútù yẹn ló ń fẹ́.
Through going right from Matthew chapter 1 to the end, you'll see that the purpose of Matthew writing is to write to the Jews.
Tí o bá yẹ ìre Mátíù wò láti orí kìíní sí dé orí tí ó gbẹ̀yìn, ó rí ìdí pàtàkì tí a fi kọ pé àwọn Júù gan ni a kọ sí.
Because you'll find many times they will refer back to the writing of the Jews and he will say that it might be fulfilled, which was written by the prophet Isaiah or Jeremiah the prophet and so on.
Ó rí pé ní gbogbo ìgbà ni ó máa ń tọ́ka sí àkọsílẹ̀ ti májẹ̀mú láéláé pé kí tí a sọ nínú ìwé májẹ̀mú láéláé kí ó lè ṣe nípa Isaiah tàbí Jeremiah àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
And therefore you will see that Matthew as a Jew was writing about something that happened between Jesus Christ and some Jews. And he was writing to a Jewish audience, Jewish readers.
Ó sì rí pé Matthew wà yóò nínú ìwé rẹ̀, ó ń kọ ìwé nípa ohun tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Jésù àti àwọn Júù, ó sì ń bá àwọn Júù gan sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀.
But in the case of Mark,
ṣùgbọ́n ní ti Máàkù wàyí.
This is not a Jew writing to Jewish nation.
Òun kì í ṣe Júù tó ń kọ̀wé sí àwọn Júù.
He was trying to convince the people that Jesus Christ is the Savior they should have been looking for.
Òun gbìyànjú láti fi mú dáwọn èèyàn lójú pé Jésù Kristi ní olùgbàlà náà tí wọ́n ti ń retí.
Luke in his own case.
Luke ní ìhà tirẹ̀.
Luke was a Greek writing to a Greek.
Òun jẹ́ ará Gíríkì tí ó sì ń kọ̀wé sí àwọn ará Gíríkì pẹ̀lú.
Because he was writing that gospel to an individual like a letter compiling all the actions and all the things that Jesus Christ had done.
Nítorí pé òun kọ ìwé tirẹ̀ bí ìgbà tí a ń kọ ìwé sí ẹnìkan nígbà tó ń ṣe àyẹ̀wò gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí ní àpapọ̀.
And as a Greek, he was writing to another person who is Greek also in background.
Àti nítorí pé ó jẹ́ Gíríkì, ó ń kọ̀wé sí ẹlòmíràn tí ó tún jẹ́ ọmọ Gíríkì pẹ̀lú.
In Luke chapter 1 verse 3, which we will not read, he mentions the name of that Greek as Theophilus.
Nínú Luke orí kìíní ẹsẹ̀ kẹta, ó dárúkọ ará Gíríkì yìí gẹ́gẹ́ pé Theophilus.
And so you see, in writing to the Gentiles or writing to the Greeks, the exception clause is removed.
Ó rí i pé nígbà nínú ìwé tí àwọn kan tí àwọn Gíríkì tàbí tí àwọn Júù ṣùgbọ́n tí a fi sínú ti Matthew àyọkúrò nínú àwọn tó kù.
In writing to the Romans,
nínú ìwé tí a kọ sí àwọn ará Róòmù.
who are not Jews again, the exception clause is removed.
Àwọn tí kì í ṣe Júù àtúnyọ ṣùgbọ́n èyí kúrò nínú rẹ̀.
We are not saying that Matthew is not for you. Matthew is for you.
A kò sọ pé Matthew kì í ṣe fún yín o, Matthew wà fún yín pẹ̀lú.
The gospel according to St. Matthew is for everybody today.
Ìrere Matthew ó wà fún gbogbo ènìyàn lónìí.
What we are saying is
Ohun tí à ń sọ nìyí.
that the Jews understood that fornication in a particular context.
Wípé àwọn Júù òye ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ iye wọn ní òpópónà àgbèrè yìí ó yé wọn ní òpópónà ọ̀rọ̀
So
kan.
there is a meaning of fornication which must be very clear, and that is the exception clause that is permitted where a man can leave the woman.
Àgbèrè yìí láti ní ìtumọ̀ kan nínú ọkàn wọn èyí tí a fi sílẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí kókó tí ọkùnrin fi lè kọ ìyàwó rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
So what is this fornication?
Nítorí náà kí ni àgbèrè yìí túmọ̀ sí?
Well, if you read many references in the New Testament,
Tí o bá ka ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹsẹ̀ nínú májẹ̀mú
you
titun.
will find that fornication is a broad word.
Ó rí i pé àgbèrè yìí ó jẹ́ bí àkórí ọ̀rọ̀ kan.
Acts of the Apostles chapter 15, when the apostles wrote to the Gentiles and they said, keep yourself from blood, from things strangled, and from fornication. That fornication is general. It means immorality in the general.
Nígbà tí àwọn àpòsílẹ̀ ń kọ̀wé ni àti nígbà tí wọ́n ń kọ̀wé nínú iṣẹ́ àpòsílẹ̀ ní orí kẹẹ̀ẹ́dógún wọ́n sọ wípé ẹ para yín mọ́ kúrò nínú ìbọ̀rìṣà àti gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí a lọ́ lọ́rùn àti nínú àgbèrè. Àgbèrè yìí túmọ̀ ó jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí a lò fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan.
When Paul was writing to the Corinthians in chapter 6 of 1 Corinthians, and he said, flee fornication. Every sin that is committed is outward, but he that committed fornication, he injures his own body. That fornication is very general, it's broad.
Nígbà tí Paul tún kọ̀wé nínú Kọ́ríńtì kìíní orí kẹfà tó ń sọ wípé ẹ sá kúrò nínú àgbèrè wípé gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó kù tí ènìyàn ń dá a kò dá sí ara ṣùgbọ́n àgbèrè ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ń ṣe àgbèrè ó ń dẹ́ṣẹ̀ sí ara tirẹ̀. Àgbèrè tí a lò níbẹ̀ yìí ó jẹ́ ohun tí a lò fún gbogbo fún àkópọ̀ gbogbo
This
kan.
is the meaning that some people have looked at and they feel that, well, except for fornication means every type of immorality that anybody does, then you can divorce.
Eléyìí ni àwọn ìtumọ̀ tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn yẹ̀wò tí wọ́n lérò wípé àgbèrè tí a wí ó túmọ̀ sí gbogbo ìfẹ́kúfẹ́ ara nítorí náà èèyàn lè pa ara rẹ̀
But
sílẹ̀.
it is not like that because Jesus was talking to Jewish audience.
Ṣùgbọ́n kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ nítorí pé Jésù Kristi ń bá àwọn ará Júù sọ̀rọ̀.
And anybody who is a Bible student who has studied the Bible knows that before you can determine the interpretation of some passages, you must look at the background of the message that is given there.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó bá sì jẹ́ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Bíbélì ó mọ̀ wípé kí ó tó ṣe ìtumọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kan nínú Bíbélì ó ní láti wo ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ èdè dídá fi sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dáadáa.
So let us see how the Jews themselves, how they use the word fornication. That will help us.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá wo bí àwọn Júù fúnra wọn ti lo ọ̀rọ̀ àgbèrè yìí eléyà ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
So that will be a good commentary on the fornication that Jesus talked about more than what the commentators are saying today.
Eléyìí yóò jẹ́ ìtumọ̀ tí ó bá àgbèrè tí Jésù sọ nípa rẹ̀ yóò sì dára ju àwọn gbogbo tí àwọn olùtumọ̀ ń fi fún
John
lónìí.
chapter 8 verse 41, that word fornication is used by Jews in the Jewish context, the way they understood what fornication meant, and the way they would have understood the exception clause of Jesus.
Nínú Jòhánù orí kẹjọ ẹsẹ̀ kọkànléní ogójì, a rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ti lo àgbèrè níbẹ̀, a sì lò àwọn Júù ni ó sì lò yóò sì sọ ìtumọ̀ ohun tí à ń wí fún wa.
Ye do the deeds of your father. That's Jesus talking to the Jews.
Jésù ló ń bá àwọn Júù sọ ní ìbí pé ẹ̀yin ṣe iṣẹ́ bàbá yín.
Then they said unto him,
Nígbà náà ni wọ́n wí fún pé
we be not born of fornication. We have one father, even God.
a kò bí wa nípa panṣágà àní bàbá kan.
Well, that Yoruba interpretation, that word is wrong.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bá a ṣe túmọ̀ ní Yorùbá kò yẹ ká pè ní panṣágà àgbèrè ló yẹ kí a pè é.
Because consistently the Yoruba language has been using a particular word for fornication, but there, that's why it takes much to be able to interpret the Bible.
Tẹ́lẹ̀ a ó rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ tí àgbèrè yìí ni a ti ń lò tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ní ìjẹ́ la yí padà tí a sọ di panṣágà.
And in the Greek, this word is porneia, and this word fornication should still be interpreted just like that.
Àgbèrè ni a gbọ́dọ̀ pe ọ̀rọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ báyìí gan ni ìtumọ̀ rẹ̀ rí.
Because in the Greek also the word adultery is a different word entirely, mocker. And that one is adultery, a different thing.
Nítorí ní èdè Gíríkì panṣágà ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn lélẹ̀ yóò sì túmọ̀ sí nǹkan mìíràn gedegbe.
And so when the Jews said, we be not born of fornication, they were saying our mothers did not get pregnant before marriage. That's the fornication.
Nígbà náà ni wọ́n nítorí náà nígbà nígbà tí àwọn Júù sọ wípé a kò bí wa nípa àgbèrè tó yẹ kó jẹ́ ẹni pé wọ́n sọ wípé kì í ṣe pé màmá wa ti lóyún wa lójú ọ̀nà kí a tó délé ọkọ.
But look at that word again in 1 Corinthians chapter 7.
ẹ jẹ́ ká tún wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí nínú Kọ́ríńtì kìíní orí keje.
Verse 2.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkejì.
Nevertheless, to avoid fornication, let every man have his own wife.
ṣùgbọ́n nítorí àgbèrè jẹ́ kí olúkúlùkù kí ó ní ọkọ tirẹ̀.
That means get married so as to avoid fornication. If adultery and fornication are the same, how will the apostles say to avoid fornication, get married? That means the married person now cannot commit fornication. He wants to avoid fornication, then he gets married.
ẹ̀wọ̀n tí wọ́n sọ ní ìní pé nítorí kí èèyàn má bàa dẹ́ṣẹ̀ àgbèrè kí ó lọ fẹ́ yàwó tàbí kí ó lọ́kọ tirẹ̀. tó bá jẹ́ pé àgbèrè tí wọ́n sọ yìí ó túmọ̀ sí panṣágà wọn kò ní sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
So already you will see that Jesus is saying something.
nísinsìnyí ó rí i pé Jésù ń sọ ohun kan níbẹ̀.
He is saying that if you wanted to get married,
ó sọ pé tí o bá fẹ́ fẹ́yàwó.
and you don't know that this lady has been this virgin,
tí o kò sì mọ̀ pé obìnrin yìí kì í ṣe wúndíá mọ́.
that she has lost her virginity, she has committed fornication. You didn't know.
wípé ó ti bà wúndíá rẹ̀ jẹ́ nítorí pé ó ti ṣàgbèrè ó kò sì mọ̀.
And then you now got married. The very first day you discovered that this woman has committed fornication. That's what Jesus is saying. Except for fornication.
ẹ sì wá ṣe ìgbéyàwó ní ọjọ́ kìíní tí ẹ ṣe pàdé ó sì wá rí wípé obìnrin yìí ti ní ìbálòpọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹlòmíràn. èyí ni kó ti ṣe àgbèrè ohun tí Jésù ń sọ nìyí. àbí bí kò ṣe nítorí àgbèrè.
In the land of Israel.
ní ilẹ̀ Ísírẹ́lì.
In Deuteronomy.
nínú Deuteronomy.
All the Jews knew.
gbogbo àwọn Júù ló mọ̀.
That if a woman was betrothed, engaged to a man,
wípé tí ọkùnrin kan bá ti ní ìyàwó àfẹ́sọ́nà.
if this woman committed fornication,
tí obìnrin yìí bá dẹ́ṣẹ̀ àgbèrè.
there is something they will do.
ohun kan wà tí wọn yóò ṣe.
Let us look at what they will do.
ẹ jẹ́ ká wo ohun tí wọ́n máa ṣe.
Deuteronomy chapter 22.
Deuteronomy orí kejìlélógún.
Deuteronomy chapter 22.
Deuteronomy orí kejìlélógún.
Verse 23.
ẹsẹ̀ kẹtàlélógún.
If a damsel that is a virgin be betrothed, that is engaged to an husband,
bí ọmọbìnrin wúndíá kan bá wà tí àti àfẹ́sọ̀nà fún ọkọ.
and a man finds her in the city and lie with her.
tí ọkùnrin kan sì rí i ní ìlú tí ó sì bá a dàpọ̀.
Let me read it again, and I want you to pay attention because this is very important and essential for us.
jẹ́ kí n tún kà á dáadáa mo sì fẹ́ kí o ṣe àkíyèsí orí pé lè ṣe kókó ṣe pàtàkì fún wa.
If a damsel, a lady that is a virgin, be betrothed, that is engaged to an husband,
bí ọmọbìnrin wúndíá kan tí kò tí ì lọ́kọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ó ti ní ọkọ àfẹ́sọ́nà bá wà tí ó jẹ́ àfẹ́sọ́nà fún ọkọ rẹ̀.
now I want to ask you a question.
mo fẹ́ bi ọ́ ní ìbéèrè kan.
In this verse 23,
ní ẹsẹ̀ kẹtàlélógún yìí.
had this virgin come to the house of the man?
ǹjẹ́ wúndíá yìí ti délé ọkùnrin yìí?
What? But look at the word that is used there, husband, husband, husband.
ìgbẹ́ jẹ́ ká wá wo ọ̀rọ̀ tí a lò níbẹ̀ ọkọ ni a pè é o.
Because in the language of the Jews, if somebody is engaged to the other one, it's already called the wife and he is already called the husband.
nítorí ní àṣà àwọn Júù nígbà tí ẹnìkan bá ti ní obìnrin kan ní àfẹ́sọ́nà a ó ti máa pe àwọn méjèèjì ní ọkọ ìyàwó.
That is why the angel from heaven talked to Mary, the wife of Joseph, before they came together. When Joseph wanted to give her away because of the pregnancy, the angel said, fear not to take what? Thy wife, although they are not.
Jésù fẹ́ kọ sílẹ̀ ní ìkọ̀kọ̀. Sángẹ́lì Ọlọ́run sì wá sọ fún Jósẹ́fù wípé má ṣe bẹ̀rù láti mú Màríà aya rẹ̀ bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọn ò tí ì délé ara
So
wọn.
if you don't understand the Oriental custom, that is the custom of the Jews, how they will call person husband or call a person a wife, before they really had the wedding, only after the engagement. You will not know when it says the husband and the wife, you'll be thinking they were living together.
Ẹni tó náà tí o kò bá mọ ìjìnlẹ̀ àṣà ìbílẹ̀ àwọn Júù láti mọ èdè tí wọ́n máa ń lò tó wá jẹ́ tí wọ́n kàn sọ pé ọkọ ìyàwó láì mọ̀ bóyá ẹni tó ń sọ nípa rẹ̀ ó ti délé ọkùnrin tàbí kò tí ì débẹ̀ o nímọ̀gbà tí o máa sì túmọ̀ rẹ̀.
And to show you that what I've said now is general.
Láti fi hàn nísìnyí pé ohun tí mo sọ yìí ó wà ó jẹ́ àkópọ̀.
You will see that when they were going to war in those days in the Jewish land.
Ó rí i pé ní ọjọ́ wọn nì nígbà tó bá ń lọ sí ojú ogun ní orílẹ̀-èdè Júù.
In chapter 20 of Deuteronomy verse 7.
Ní ẹsẹ̀ ogún Deuteronomy orí keje.
They will ask the people, what man is there that has betrothed a wife and has not taken her? It's called a wife and yet he has not taken her. Verse 7. 20. verse 7.
Deuteronomy orí ogún ẹsẹ̀ ìkeje. Àti ọkùnrin wo ni ó fẹ́ ìyàwó tí kò tí ì gbé?
It's already called wife, but it's not in the house.
Wọ́n ti ń pè é ní ìyàwó ṣùgbọ́n kò tí ì
Let him
délé.
go and return unto his house, lest he die in the battle and another man take her.
Jẹ́ kí ó padà lọ sí ilé rẹ̀ kí òun kí ó má bàa kú lé ogun náà kí ọkùnrin mìíràn kí ó má bàa gbé.
Now we go back to Deuteronomy chapter 22, verse 23.
A ó padà sí Deuteronomy orí kejìléní ogún ẹsẹ̀ kẹtàlélógún.
If a damsel that is a virgin be betrothed to an husband, and a man find her in the city and lie with her.
Bí ọmọbìnrin wúndíá kan bá wà tí àfẹ́sọ́nà fún ọkọ tí ọkùnrin kan sì rí ní ìlú tí ó sì bá a dàpọ̀.
Verse 24.
Ẹsẹ̀ kẹrìnlélógún.
Then ye shall bring them both unto the gate of that city.
Ǹjẹ́ kí ẹ̀yin kí ó mú àwọn méjèèjì wá sí ẹnubodè ìlú náà?
That is the man who has gone to an engaged woman, an engaged virgin, and met with her. If they discover them, you'll bring that person's wife to be virgin, who is not his virgin, and the man, you'll bring them to the gate.
Èyí ni pé tí ọkùnrin kan tí ó bá lọ bá obìnrin kan tí ó jẹ́ ìyàwó àfẹ́sọ́nà tí kò tí ì délé ọkọ tó bá lọ bá a dàpọ̀, wọ́n mú àwọn méjèèjì yẹn pé ọkùnrin yìí àti obìnrin tó jẹ́ àfẹ́sọ́nà ṣùgbọ́n tí kò tí ì délé ọkọ, wọ́n á mú àwọn méjèèjì wá sẹ́nubodè ìlú.
And ye shall stone them with stone that they die.
Ẹ̀yin ó sì sọ wọ́n lé òkúta pa àwọn méjèèjì wọ́n ó sì
The
kú.
damsel, because she cried not, being in the city.
Èyí ọmọbìnrin nítorí tí kò kígbe nígbà tí ó wà ní ìlú.
That damsel who is engaged to a man, and yet when immorality came, she yielded to immorality. That woman will be stoned to death.
Èyí ọmọbìnrin yìí tí ó ti jẹ́ pé ó ti ní ọkọ àfẹ́sọ́nà ṣùgbọ́n nítorí ìfẹ́kùfẹ́ dẹ́nìtì tí kò sì kígbe tí ó sì jọ ara rẹ̀ fún ìfẹ́kùfẹ́, òun ni a ó ti sọ lókùúta.
And the man, because he had humbled his neighbor's wife, had they come together? And the person is called neighbor's wife, and yet she is only engaged, she has not passed into the man's house.
Àti èyí ọkùnrin torí tí ó tẹ aya nìkejì rẹ̀ lógò. Èyí ni à ń sọ fún aníbẹ̀ wípé bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé nìyí kò tí ì délé ọkọ, à ń tọ́ka sí obìnrin gẹ́gẹ́ bí aya nìkejì rẹ̀.
So thou shalt put evil away from among you.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kí ìwọ kí ó mú ìwà búburú kúrò láàrin yín.
So Jesus was saying this.
Nítorí náà Jésù sọ eléyìí.
Ye have heard in the past, eye for eye, tooth for tooth, but now love your enemy.
Ẹ̀yin ti gbọ́ ní ìwà ti sọ nígbà ní pé ojú fún ojú, eyín fún eyín, ṣùgbọ́n nísinsìnyí èmi ń wí fún yín fẹ́ràn àwọn ọ̀tá yín.
You have heard in the past, love your friends, hate your enemies, but now I say to you, love everybody.
Ẹ̀yin ti gbọ́ nígbà ní wípé fẹ́ràn àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yín, kórìíra àwọn ọ̀tá yín, ṣùgbọ́n mi sọ fún yín nísinsìnyí ẹ fẹ́ràn àwọn ọ̀tá yín pẹ̀lú.
You have heard in the past that thou shalt not commit adultery, but now I say unto you, whosoever looketh on a woman to commit lust or to have immorality has committed adultery in the heart.
Ẹ̀yin ti gbọ́ bí a ti wípé ní ìgbà ní pé ìwọ kò gbọdọ̀ ṣe panṣágà, ṣùgbọ́n mi wí fún yín ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá wo obìnrin tí ó bá sì ṣe ìfẹ́kùfẹ́ nínú ọkàn rẹ̀ sí, ó ti jápọ̀, ó ti ṣe panṣágà pẹ̀lú
So
ẹ̀
you
náà.
can see he is bringing New Testament grace into Old Testament institution.
Nítorí náà lè rí sí pé ó mú oore ọ̀fẹ́ májẹ̀mú titun wá sí ohun tí a ti ṣe ìṣẹ̀dálẹ̀ rẹ̀ nínú
In the
májẹ̀mú
Old Testament, if somebody committed fornication who is engaged to another man, that woman will be stoned.
Nínú májẹ̀mú láéláé bí ẹnikẹ́ni bá dẹ́jọ́ àgbèrè pẹ̀lú obìnrin tó jẹ́ àfẹ́sọ́nà fún ọkọ rẹ̀, irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ a ó tọ́ lókùúta pa ni.
So Jesus is saying that now, because of the time of grace, don't stone her, but you can leave her. Put her away. Don't marry her anymore.
Jésù wa sọ nísìnyí pé nítorí àkókò oore ọ̀fẹ́ la wà, ẹ má sọ ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ lókùúta pa. Bí ohun tó ń ṣe ni pé kọrú obìnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
So that is the fornication that Jesus Christ was talking about. It is what the engaged damsel or virgin does, and it is discovered before the woman comes to the house of the man. And because it is discovered and the man is not going to stone her, he says, although they have been calling you wife, they have been calling me husband, because according to our custom, we are called wife and husband before we really come together. Now you have committed fornication, I'm not going to marry you again. That is except for fornication.
Ohun tí Jésù wa ń sọ ni wípé bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé nínú májẹ̀mú tuntun ni a wà, àwọn kò lè sọ ẹnikẹ́ni lókùúta pa, nítorí pé bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti fẹ́ra wọn sójú ọ̀nà, wọ́n ń pè wọ́n ní tọkọtìyàwó, bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọn ò tí ì délé ara wọn, nítorí pé májẹ̀mú ti kò gbà wọn láì láti sọ̀yàn lókùúta pa. Ohun tí Jésù sọ ni pé nítorí àgbèrè o ò ní sọ lókùúta ṣùgbọ́n o ní àǹfààní láti kọ̀ ọ́ sílẹ̀.
This is a similarity in the life of Joseph and Maria, Matthew chapter 1.
Eléyìí sì jẹ́ ohun tí ó fara jọ ìgbésí ayé Joseph àti Maria.
Now verse 18. Now the birth of Jesus was on this wise when his mother Mary was espoused, engaged, betrothed to Joseph before they came together.
Matthew orí kìíní láti ẹsẹ̀ kejìdínlógún. Bí ibi Jésù Kristi ti rí nìyí, ní àkókò tí a fẹ́ Maria ìyá rẹ̀ fún Joseph, kí wọ́n tó pàdé, a rí ó lóyún láti ọwọ́ Ẹ̀mí Mímọ́ kí wọ́n tó pàdé.
Before they came together, she was pregnant, she was with child of the Holy Ghost.
Kí wọ́n kí ó tó pàdé, a rí ó lóyún láti ọwọ́ Ẹ̀mí Mímọ́.
So the real wedding had not been performed.
Nítorí náà a kò tí ì ṣe ìgbéyàwó gan.
The real thing that made them in the Western culture, that is, in the English-speaking areas of the world, what consummates the marriage is when you come for the wedding and everybody knows that you have now done the marriage. They had not done that.
Ohun tí a ń pè ní ìgbéyàwó gẹ́gẹ́ bí àṣà àwọn òyìnbó, èdè tó ń gbà táwọn méjèèjì bá wá sí ìta tí a sì so wọ́n pọ̀, a kò tí ì ṣe léyìí láàrin Joseph àti Maria.
Now verse 19, then Joseph, her husband, look, is called already her husband. Have they come together?
Ní ẹsẹ̀ kọkàndínlógún, Joseph ọkọ rẹ̀ ẹ wò ó, a ti pe Joseph ní ọkọ Maria, bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọn ò tí ì pàdé.
Being a just man, not willing to make her a public example that is to be stoned, was minded to put her away. And it's the same word putting away that is translated as divorce. In the other places, that's exactly the same word here. Was minded to put her away privately, privily.
Tí í ṣe olóòótọ́ ènìyàn kò sì fẹ́ dójú tì í ní gbangba yìí ni pé kán kó sọ ọ́ lókùúta nítorí irú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó fẹ́ kọ̀ ọ́ sílẹ̀ ní ìkọ̀kọ̀. Ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ náà ni a túmọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbèrè.
Living divorce.
Òun ni a túmọ̀ sí bí ìkọ̀sílẹ̀.
Now verse 20. But while he thought on these things, behold, the angel of the Lord appeared unto him in a dream, saying.
Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí ó ń ro nǹkan wọ̀nyí wò ó, áńgẹ́lì Olúwa yọ sí ilé ojú àlá, ó wí pé,
Joseph, thou son of David, fear not to take unto thee Mary what? Thy wife.
Joseph, ìwọ ọmọ Dáfídì, má pè ọ́ láti mú Maria tani o aya rẹ.
So even though they had not come together because of the custom in the land of Israel, that when somebody is engaged to the other and when they are betrothed in their culture, they will ask, how about your husband who is in his father's house? When are you going to really go to him? Well, we're still waiting for the time of the engagement to be over before we really come together. Although that time they are still called husband and wife.
Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé nírú àkókò yìí Joseph àti Maria wọn kò tí ì dà wọ́n pọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ nítorí àṣà ìbílẹ̀ Júù a ti ń pè wọ́n ní ọkọ àti ìyàwó. Wọ́n lè bèrè lọ́wọ́ pé Joseph ìyàwó rẹ̀ nǹkan ó wà nílé nígbà wọlé tẹ̀ fẹ́ dàpọ̀ gan láìpẹ́ ni tí a bá ṣe gbogbo ètò tó yẹ ká ṣe tán.
So you see, because the Gentiles didn't have that type of waiting for 1 year of betrothal, which the Jews will observe and wait for. That is why in Mark and Luke and in the other passages, they did not write such expression, because in the case of the Gentiles, they didn't regard the marriage as marriage until the wedding was finally done, like we do here in Nigeria and in Africa.
Nítorí pé irú àṣà báyìí kò sí láàrin àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè kèfèrí, èyí ni pé kí a ní àfẹ́sọ́nà bí ọdún kan ọdún méjì kí a máa pè wọ́n ní tọkọtaya bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọn ò tí ì délé ara wọn. Ìdí ni tí Máàkù àti Lúùkù wọn kò ṣe kọ sínú ìrere tiwọn nítorí pé kò sí irú àṣà bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ tiwọn.
And now you cannot say except for fornication.
Nítorí náà o lè wá sọ pé ìtùtà nítorí àgbèrè.
Then you got the parents' permission and the pastor's approval.
Kí o sì wá gba àṣẹ àwọn òbí àti ti àlùfáà ìjọ.
And then after getting married.
Lẹ́yìn tí ẹ ti gbéyàwó tán.
On the first day.
Ní ọjọ́ kìíní.
You say what happened? You are not a virgin.
Ẹ wá bèrè pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ o mà kì í ṣe wúndíà.
And then you run to the church the second day.
Ó wá fẹ́ lọ sí ilé ìsìn ní ọjọ́ kejì.
And you say you have said except for fornication, therefore I want to divorce her.
Nítorí àti wípé àfi nítorí àgbèrè bá ẹ̀kọ́ lágbájá yìí sílẹ̀ o.
Didn't you know before?
Ǹjẹ́ o kò mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀?
Think that all these sisters say are angels.
Ó rò pé gbogbo àwọn obìnrin tó àwọn ọmọbìnrin tó wà níbí áńgẹ́lì ni wọ́n.
Some sisters did not have boyfriend when they were in secondary school. Very, very few.
Èwo nínú àwọn ọmọbìnrin wọ̀nyí ni kò ní ọ̀rẹ́ abánidẹ́jọ́ ọkùnrin gbàtàn wà nílé ìwé.
You yourself as a man when you were secondary school, even as a trader, as bus conductor, what were you?
Ìwọ pàápàá tí o jẹ́ ọkùnrin nígbà tí o jẹ́ ọmọ ilé ìwé tàbí ẹni tó ń gbowó lẹ́yìn bọ́ọ̀sì kí ló ń ṣe?
So how can you be pointing accusing finger to another person when you yourself are a fornicator?
Nígbà òdòdó wa lè náwó àléébù sí ẹlòmíràn nígbà tí ẹ pé ìwọ pàápàá alágbèrè ni ọ́.
So you will know that when whenever you marry, it's a God's dispensation.
Ó wàá mọ̀ pé tí o bá fẹ́yàwó ní àkókò yìí rere
You
yìí.
will know that the sister you are marrying, her sins have been forgiven and forgotten by God.
Ó mọ̀ wípé arábìnrin tí òun fẹ́ yìí a ti dárí ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀ jẹ́ àti gbàgbé rẹ̀ láti ọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
If you are looking for a virgin, it is okay, but talk to God and wait until he can find a virgin out of the thousands of Nigerians who have not got boyfriend before.
Tí o bá sì wá ń jẹ́ pé wúndíá ni òun wá obìnrin tí kò tí ì mọ ọkùnrin rí, ó dára bẹ́ẹ̀ gbàdúrà sí Ọlọ́run nígbàkúgbà tí ó bá sì ya Ọlọ́run tí ó bá lè rí fún ọ láàrin ẹgbẹgbẹ̀rún àwọn ọmọbìnrin ọmọ Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ti ṣàgbèrè kan tó di oníhìnrere ó dúró.
But I thank God that when God forgives any of our sisters, he forgets that they ever committed any sin.
Ṣùgbọ́n mo dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run pé nígbà tí Ọlọ́run bá dáríjì èké nínú àwọn ọ̀dọ́mọbìnrin wa á dàbí ẹni pé ìgbà tí wọn kò tilẹ̀ jẹ́jẹ́ yìí rárá.
And if you are marrying a real believer,
Tí o bá sì ń fẹ́ onígbàgbọ́ gidi,
whose sins have been forgiven and forgotten,
ẹni tí a ti dárí ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀ jì tí a
you
ti
are
gbàgbé owó
thanking
ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀.
God and praising the Lord that he has given you a real child of God, a daughter of the Almighty.
Ó máa dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run pé ó ti fún ọ ní ọmọ Ọlọ́run tòótọ́ àní ọmọ Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè.
And therefore you are grateful.
Nítorí náà ó jẹ́ ẹni tí ó ló mú
Even
wọn
though
pẹ́.
this person was a sinner before,
Wípé bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé tẹ́lẹ̀ ni ìjẹ́ ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀.
once she was in darkness, now she's in the light.
Pé ní ìgbà kan ó wà nínú òkùnkùn ṣùgbọ́n nísinsìnyí ó ti wà nínú
And
ìmọ́lẹ̀.
therefore you know that your marriage as a child of God is to last until death us do part until Jesus comes.
Nítorí náà ó mọ̀ wípé ìgbéyàwó rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Ọlọ́run yóò jẹ́ títí ikú yóò fi yà sí Jésù Kristi yóò fi dé.
And if anybody is still a virgin, there is nothing to be proud of.
Bí ẹnikẹ́ni bá sì wá jẹ́ wúndíá síbẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan tí aláti fi ṣègbéraga.
For the Bible says, what have you that you have not received from God? And if it is by grace, why should you glory over the other people?
Torí bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ pé kí ni ohun tí onísìkìṣe gba àfi fún ọ tí ó bá ti wà níbẹ̀ oore ọ̀fẹ́ ni kí ni onísìkìṣe gba àfi fún ọ láti
And
ọwọ́
so we
Ọlọ́run.
thank God because in Christian marriage, He wants us to understand that once you are married, it is for life.
Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé nínú ìgbéyàwó onígbàgbọ́ tí o bá ti ṣe ìgbéyàwó báyìí títí ayé ni.
And to keep that marriage together,
Àti láti pa ìgbéyàwó yìí mọ́
you
pẹ̀lú.
need to love one another and perform the home responsibilities that God wants you to perform.
Ẹ ó sì fẹ́ràn ara yín, ẹ ó sì ṣe iṣẹ́ àti ojúṣe nínú ilé tí Ọlọ́run fẹ́ kẹ́
So
ṣe.
we close the message with Ephesians chapter 5.
A ó parí ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pàtàkì pẹ̀lú Éfésù orí 5.
There are things you can do to make sure that your home stays together and your home stands together.
Àwọn nǹkan kan wà tí o lè ṣe láti jẹ́ kí ilé rẹ kí ó lè dúró àti kó lè wà ní ìrẹ́pọ̀.
At the very beginning of the marriage, you must understand your biblical roles as children of God, as husband and wife.
Ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ìgbéyàwó yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ mọ ohun tí Bíbélì pè ní iṣẹ́ yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí tọkọ àtìyàwó.
The wife must go on her knees and say, Father, make me a real good Christian wife to face my brother.
Ìyàwó gbọ́dọ̀ kúnlẹ̀ lórí ọkọ rẹ̀, ó gbọ́dọ̀ kúnlẹ̀ lórí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ kó sì pé Olúwa ṣe mí ní ìyàwó tí ó dára fún arákùnrin mi yìí.
You must pray until you have a definite experience that God has made you a wife. Notice on the wedding day don't transform you. Prior presentation does not convert, does not transform a person to be a real Christian with the reading of the scriptures and going on your knees and saying, I want to be a Christian wife to this brother. Consecration say, come what may, I am going to live with this man. Going to die with this man until Jesus comes. That's what will change your life.
Ìyára ni sọ́tọ̀ ló lè jẹ́ kí o lè sọ pé ohunkóhun yóò wù kí o lè dé mi pẹ̀lú ọkùnrin mi ò ní fi sílẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi ń jẹ́rìí kùsì yóò fi dé.
Consecration to love the man when there is no money.
Yóò sì jẹ́ ìyára ni sọ́tọ̀ láti rọ̀ mọ́ arákùnrin tí bí ó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé kò sí owó.
Consecration to care for the man when there is no prestige.
Ìyára ni sọ́tọ̀ láti rọ̀ mọ́ arákùnrin bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé kò sí ìwà gbajúmọ̀
When the
kankan.
rain and the storm has blown off the roof of your house, it's a consecration to stay inside the rain, inside the mud, with face your husband and say you are my husband, you are the best on earth that I know apart from Jesus.
Nígbà tí ìjì bá ti fẹ́ gbogbo òrùlé lọ sí tí kò sì wá sí ohun kankan tí ó kò ní jẹ́ àtijọ́ wà nínú òjò, ìyára ẹni sọ́tọ̀ ni ó jẹ́ kí o dúró pẹ̀lú ọkùnrin tó fi sọ wípé ọkọ mi nìyí òun ló dájọ́ ní gbogbo ọkùnrin tó wà nínú ayé.
And when you hold that man's child in your hand, the child that you have got together, whenever you look at the face of that man, you say, this is the image of my husband. You love that child, care for that child, and you care for your husband as well. That's what will keep you together.
Nígbà tí o bá sì wo ojú ọmọ tí Ọlọ́run fún ọ tí o bí fún ọkùnrin yóò lè sọ wípé fọ́tò ọkọ mi nìyí, inú rẹ̀ yóò sì dùn ó sì máa yọ̀ níwájú Ọlọ́run ìyanu sọ́tọ̀ ló lè jẹ́ kí o lè dúró tẹ́lẹ̀.
And also as a man, it will take you to go on your knees.
Àti pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwọ ọkùnrin pàápàá yóò gbà pé lọ́sọ̀rẹ́kùn rẹ̀.
Ask for God to transform your life.
Kí o sì béèrè lọ Ọlọ́run pé kó yí ayé rẹ padà.
So that you will see your wife not as a servant but a partner, an equal.
Kí o lè rí ìyàwó rẹ kì í ṣe bí ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tí ẹjọ́ dọ́gba.
To see your wife not as a cook, not as a tenant.
Kì í ṣe tàbí kí o lè rí ìyàwó rẹ kì í ṣe bí ẹni tí ó ń gbọ́njẹ fún ọ tàbí alágbàgbé.
But somebody as a mother of your children.
Ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó jẹ́ ìyá àwọn ọmọ rẹ.
As a part of yourself because it says you are one flesh.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tó jẹ́ ẹ̀yà ara tó sọ pé ara kan ṣoṣo ní.
And to appreciate your wife.
And then you must drop all the non-essentials.
The wife says that this type of milk is not good for little children. Don't argue about it. It's not essential.
Tí ìyàwó sọ pé irú wàrà báyìí kò dára fún àwọn ọmọdé má máa jẹ nítorí pàtó eléyìí kò ṣe pàtàkì.
If the wife says Wednesday is the best day to go to market, don't insist if it's Saturday. It's a non-essential, drop non-essential.
Tí ìyàwó sọ pé ọjọ́ Wednesday ló dáa jù láti lọ sọ́jà má máa jiyàn wípé Sátidé ló dá àwọn kan wọ̀nyí ètò gbogbo
Don't
lọ́wọ́
know
nínú
what
rẹ̀.
is not essential. When to go to market, when to wash your car, when to wash your clothes. They are not essential.
Má ṣe àríyànjiyàn tàbí àwáwí lórí àwọn nǹkan tí kò ṣe pàtàkì ìgbà tó yẹ kán lọ sọ́jà ìgbà tó yẹ kán fọ mọ́tò ìgbà tó yẹ kán fọṣọ ẹ.
And create the ability to be able to laugh in the family.
Ó sì gbọ́dọ̀ wá jẹ́ni tí ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣe ojúṣe rẹ kí o lè máa rẹ́rìn nínú ẹbí rẹ.
What do I mean by the ability to laugh? Clothes are not washed and ironed the way you want.
Nígbà tí a kò bá pa aṣọ rẹ kí a sì lọ̀ ọ́ ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí o ti fẹ́.
The ability to laugh it up and say, I know that you are lazy. I'm sorry. I know you are not quite lazy. Can you play over it?
Ipá láti lè sọ wípé nígbà tí a kò bá lọ́jọ́ pé àmúmọ̀ wípé ó rẹ̀ díẹ̀ ó dàbí pé ìyọ̀lẹ́díẹ̀ ọ̀lẹ́díẹ̀ díẹ̀ náà ni. Ó sì ti ṣàwàdà
When
lọ́dọ̀.
there is too much pepper in the soup.
Tàbí nígbà tí ata bá pọ̀ jù nínú ọbẹ̀.
Oh, you say, come here.
Ìwọ ló tẹ̀ wá bí o.
I'm your husband. You think I'm a soldier.
Èmi lọ pé ó rò pé jagunjagun
And you
nínú.
laugh over it.
O sì ti rẹ́rìn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
And the wife says, what are you saying?
Ìyàwó ti pé kí ló ń wí gan.
Oh, I'm saying that you cook a soldier soup today and the soup is militant.
Mo ń sọ wípé ọbẹ̀ jagunjagun ló sè lónìí ọbẹ̀ náà ti dàbí tàwọn ọmọ ogun
The
gan.
ability to laugh over things that are not essential.
Ọ̀nà tí o lè gbà máa rẹ́ lórí àwọn nǹkan tí kò ṣe pàtàkì.
Somebody has pity the children.
Bóyá tó ló lu àwọn ọmọ.
And the children are reporting to you.
Àwọn sì wá fẹjọ́ sùn ọ́.
Oh, you as a father will not say, don't kill my children.
Ìwọ bàbá ìlú àtọ́kọ́ bá bàtà ọmọ mi o.
Oh, you say your friend is a mama in it. Oh, if your mommy didn't teach you like that, I would have beaten you. I want you to love your mommy and respect her.
Tó bá jẹ́ pé màmá yín ò nà yín èmi náà màá tó nà ẹ́. Mo fẹ́ kí ẹ máa bọ̀ fún màmá yín dáadáa.
You will not create problems for yourself in the family.
O ò ní máa wá wàhálà fúnra rẹ nínú ẹbí rẹ.
And in serious matters, don't argue.
Àti ní ìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ bá ta kókó má ṣàríyànjiyàn.
Serious matters, don't argue.
Nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ bá dé kókó kan má ṣe àwáwí o.
Well, sister, I don't really know who is wrong. You may be right, I may be wrong, but I really don't know. Why don't let us pray about it?
Arábìnrin mi ò mẹ́ni tí ó dàbí tó lòdì tó yà ìwọ ni tàbí èmi. Èyí tó fi ń jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà ń káyọ̀.
Argument doesn't lead anywhere.
Àríyànjiyàn kì í mú ẹnikẹ́ni lóde
Don't
kankan.
prove to the wife that you know better, and don't prove to the husband that you are better spiritually. Don't argue.
Má fi hàn ìyàwó rẹ pé ìwọ ló mọ̀ jù nípa tẹ̀mí tàbí ìwọ rẹ pé má fi hàn ọkọ ẹ pé ìwọ ló mọ̀ jù lọ má ṣe
And
àríyànjiyàn.
don't withdraw. Don't withdraw.
Má sì ṣe pa owó ara rẹ sẹ́yìn.
Family people know how they retaliate in the family.
Àwọn ènìyàn tó wà ní ẹgbẹ́ wọn bí a ṣe ń gbẹ̀san.
The man will withdraw financially. He'll retaliate sexually. She'll withdraw sexually only to punish the man and say, okay, you don't give the money. I know what not to give as well. Don't punish that way.
Ní àwọn obìnrin pàápàá sì mọ̀nà tí a fi ń gbàgbẹ́sọ nígbà tí ó bá di ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ tó àbùkù tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe kọ́kọ́ ti ìyàwó. Òun náà á kọ̀ wá ní nígbà tí lánàá òun wá ó kọ̀ tó náà náà ní.
Engaging in calm discussion. Calm, calm, peaceful discussion.
Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ máa jọ sọ̀rọ̀ ní kẹ́lẹ́kẹ́lẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìdùnnú ọ̀rọ̀ àlàáfíà.
And never try to justify yourself when you are discussing the calm condition.
Má sì gbìyànjú láti dára rẹ láre nígbà tí ẹ bá jọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́lẹ́kẹ́lẹ́.
Even together with an open Bible.
Ẹ jókòó jẹ́ bíbélì sílẹ̀.
Tell your wife, I think I'm right, but I can't make my point. You might be right, and we see through the Bible.
O lè kí o sọ fún ìyàwó rẹ pé mo lérò pé nǹkan tí mo ń sọ òun tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n mi ò lè ṣàlàyé ẹ̀dá ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ ká ṣe òun bíbélì.
If you talk after time,
Tí ó bá dàbẹ̀ gba ẹ̀gbọ́n nínú àkókò yìí, wọ́n dákẹ́.
be thankful and deny yourself.
Ìwọ rárá rẹ sílẹ̀ tí o tún tẹ́ra rẹ
And
pẹ̀lú.
when she's ready to talk, talk very, very calmly, not pointing accusing finger, and only say, now please,
Nígbà tí òun bá dàbí gbóná rẹ̀ ní ìgbóná tí òun máa sọ̀rọ̀ àlàáfíà tí o sì máa fàmọ́ra pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ tútù. tí o sì máa fi hàn tó dàbí pé nǹkan náà lè kí ló fẹ́ ká ṣe kí nǹkan yìí lè ròyìn.
Then pray together.
ẹjọ́ máa gbàdúrà pọ̀.
I don't mean that when you have settled it, you will stand discussion.
ẹ̀mí ò sọ pé ńgbà tí ẹ ti fún ẹ bá yanjú gbogbo wọn pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀
Then
kẹ́lẹ́kẹ́
the
lọ́tọ́.
wife says, okay, I'm sorry, brother. Shall we pray?
tí ìyàwó ti sọ pé arákùnrin ẹ má bínú ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà.
Then you kneel down there.
ọwọ́ akúlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
5 minutes, nobody starts the prayer.
ìṣẹ́jú máa kò sẹ́ tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ àdúrà.
Everything is quiet and dead.
gbogbo ó sì wá dákẹ́ rọ́rọ́.
Until the wife looks up and says, honey, start the prayer now.
títí dìgbà tí ìyàwó sọ pé òun ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ àdúrà yìí.
And then you begin to pray.
kí wọ́n òun ṣe wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí
In a
gbàdúrà.
tone of resignation.
pẹ̀lú òun pé àtúbẹ̀ àhó bẹ́ẹ̀
In a
bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
tone of affliction and persecution and regret of marriage.
nínú òun pé mo kábàámọ̀ àwọn tó máa ṣe o tí mo ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí.
Father, we are calling upon you now.
bàbá a máa ń ké kò sí báyìí.
Sorry because of this situation.
àrùkù wa láàánú torí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
Anyway, I can't understand how my God
orí láyé.
tried my best to do. I don't know how to start.
mo ti gbìyànjú kí n ṣe bó ṣe bá ti jẹ́ òbí.
You know it's right, you know it's wrong.
sábà bá
Just forgive everybody. What am I doing?
gbogbo ẹ̀dá máa dájú gbogbo èèyàn kí ni tí wọ́n ṣe ní òní òní pẹ̀lú
That is
ìgbà
not, that is not fair.
When you are praying, you recognize that your wife and you that your one flesh together.
tí o bá ń gbàdé láti mọ̀ pé òun àti ìyàwó rẹ̀ ara kan ṣoṣo ní.
Has your wife made a mistake?
ǹjẹ́ ìyàwó rẹ̀ ti ṣe àṣìṣe.
Oh, Father, I am sorry. I have not spent enough time with my wife at home teaching the word of God. I've gone to make money. And my wife has a fault. It is my fault.
àdàbà ó ṣe mí láàánú mo ti ṣàṣìṣe ń kò lo àkókò tí ó tó láti kọ́ ìyàwó mi ní ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́run mo ń ná láti lọ wá owó ṣùgbọ́n ìyàwó mi ti ṣìnà àtẹ̀mí mo jẹ̀bi.
Or if it is the woman praying, Father, I am sorry. I've not taken care of the children. I've given them to the nannies and to the kindergarten, and therefore the children are spoiled, and they are spoiled our neighbors' property. I am sorry, and I apologize to my husband. Father, forgive me and forgive us together. We'll rectify the situation. That is prayer.
tó bá sì jẹ́ ìyàwó ni ó ń gbàdúrà nígbà tó bá kúnlẹ̀ tó sọ pé bàbá dáríjì mi mo mọ̀ wípé èmi ni mi ò jẹ̀bi mi ìtọ́jú àwọn ọmọ mo ti gbé ọmọ fún àwọn bàbá ní tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ ọ̀dà ọmọ sì ti bàjẹ́ èmi mo jẹ̀bi nítorí náà tó bá jẹ́ ìyà àṣìṣe ni dáríjì mi dáríjì àwọn méjèèjì pọ̀ àdúrà nìyẹn.
And after the prayer, determined to solve that problem without outside help.
lẹ́yìn àdúrà wá pinnu láti mú ìṣòro yìí kúrò láì sí ìrànlọ́wọ́ ẹnikẹ́ni láti gbà.
If you are a preacher, the pulpit and the pulpit is not the place where you fellow over all the faults of your wife and you are talking to her indirectly. Don't do that.
tí o bá sì jẹ́ oníwàásù kì í ṣègbà tó bá dàgbà ìwàásù tó máa máa ń sọ gbogbo nǹkan tí ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé ó máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ara ògbọ́dọ̀ dán.
If you are a sister, you are witnessing. It is not with the bad and habit of your husband. You are witnessing and making examples. Please do.
tí o bá sì jẹ́ arábìnrin tí ó jẹ́ni tí ó ń jèrè ọkàn tó ń lọ wàásù rere kì í ṣe ìwà tí ọkọ rẹ̀ wù tàbí ìṣe tó ń ṣe fẹ́ ló máa fi bá ẹlòmíràn sọ̀rọ̀ jọ̀wọ́ má ṣe
You
bẹ́ẹ̀.
must love your husband.
o gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ràn ọkọ rẹ̀.
No matter who your husband is, you must love him.
láyè àlọ́ ohun kó ẹnikẹ́ni irú ẹni tí ọkọ rẹ̀ wù kó lè jẹ́ o gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ràn
You
rẹ̀.
know how Jesus loves the church?
o mọ̀ bí Jésù fẹ́ràn ìjọ.
With all the ignorance of the church,
pẹ̀lú àìmọ̀kan ìjọ.
with all the opposition we fight against one another in the church, you know he loves his church.
pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìdojúkọ ara tí a ń bára wa jà nínú ìjọ mọ bí Kristi fẹ́ràn wa ló.
Now Jesus is praying for the church right now.
o sì mọ bí Kristi ń gbàdúrà fún ìjà ní lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí.
We ourselves must love in the home, in the family.
nítorí náà wa pàápàá gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ràn wa nínú ilé nínú ẹbí wa.
Then solve the problems day to day, every day.
ẹ sì gbọ́dọ̀ máa yanjú àwọn ìṣòro wọ̀nyí lójoojúmọ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Because we are told in Ephesians chapter 4 verse 23.
nítorí àgbà nínú Éfésù orí kẹrin ẹsẹ̀ kẹrin ìṣẹ́ ẹ̀rọ.
Not the sun go down upon your wrath.
ẹ má ṣe jẹ́ kí oòrùn wọ̀ bá ìbínú yín.
Solve those problems day to day. Don't carry them over to the second day.
ẹ yanjú gbogbo àwọn ìṣòro wọ̀nyí ní gbogbo ìgbà lójoojúmọ́ jẹ́ kó di ọjọ́ kejì.
Don't carry your problems over the second day when you are to cook as the wife. You'll be saying, well, I don't want to cook afterwards. The one will be cooking all the time. Where is it? Where is the reward?
má ṣe jẹ́ kí ìṣòro ẹ kó di ọjọ́ kejì nígbà tó ti yẹ kí o gbọ́jọ́ máa sọ pé tí mo ti ọdún ṣe tó o tún ti láti fi ọdún méje. èyí tí mo rí ní
But the man, when you have to put the money down, don't say, well, what's the use of all the things I've been given? All this I'm not appreciated.
tàbí ìwọ ọkọ nígbà tí ẹ tó fi owó sílẹ̀ kí wọ́n sọ pé títí ẹ̀ ní èrè tí gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ṣe àwọn òkú kúkú tẹ̀ fi yìn mí.
The practice Philippians chapter 4 verse 8.
o gbọ́dọ̀ wá jẹ̀bi tí ó mú Éfésù orí kẹrin ẹsẹ̀ kẹjọ lò.
What does that say?
kí ni ó wí.
It says, finally, brethren, wife or husband, whatsoever things are true.
Ẹ lé àkójá ara ọkọ ohunkóhun tí í ṣe òótọ́.
Don't allow the devil to deceive you and destroy you in your thought realm, in your heart, in your imagination.
Má ṣe jẹ́ kí èjì kó tàn án jẹ nínú èrò ọkàn rẹ tàbí nínú àhesọ ọ̀rọ̀ ayé rẹ.
Whatever things are true, that is number one.
Ohunkóhun tí í ṣe òótọ́ ilé ìní àkọ́kọ́.
What are we saying?
Kí ni nǹkan tí àwọn.
When your wife has done something against you,
Nígbà tí ìyàwó rẹ bá ṣe nǹkan kan
when you have
lòdì sí ọ.
received a report about your wife,
Nígbà tó bá ti gbọ́ ìròyìn nípa ìyàwó rẹ.
that thought must pass through 8 different stages before you ever accept and think about it.
Èrò yìí gbọ́dọ̀ kọjá ní ẹnu ọ̀nà méje kí o tó lè ronú pé o fi ẹ̀fẹ́ lẹ̀.
First gate is the true gate. He said me, he told me about my wife. Is it true?
Ẹnu ọ̀nà àkọ́kọ́ ni pé ǹjẹ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ nípa ìyàwó mi ǹjẹ́ òótọ́ ni.
If it is not true, don't think about it.
Tí kìí bá ṣe òótọ́ má ronú pa ẹ̀wọ̀n.
Whatsoever things are true,
Ohunkóhun tí ń ṣe òótọ́.
before you can know whether it is true or not, you must ask your wife, sister, I had this and I had this.
Kí o tó lè mọ̀ pé òótọ́ ni àbí òótọ́ kan, ó bí ìyàwó rẹ̀ arábìnrin mo gbọ́ báyìí mo gbọ́ báyìí.
You must not ask her with a tone of accusation that is already suspected. You did this.
Ó kò gbọdọ̀ bí ní ibi pé òun fi ẹ̀sùn kàn án pé bí ẹ̀sìn lóbi pé ó ń gbọ́ oye léyìí.
Whatsoever things are true, that is one.
Ohunkóhun tí ń ṣe òótọ́ eléyìí ni àkọ́kọ́.
Whatsoever things are honest, we think it is true. It means honest.
Ohunkóhun tí ń ṣe títọ́ ìjẹ́ títọ́ ni
In your
ọ̀rọ̀ ilé yóò sọ.
relationship at home between the wife and the husband, these are what to think about.
Nínú ìbálòpọ̀ wọn àti ìyàwó rẹ̀ àwọn nǹkan tó gbọ́dọ̀ lórí ẹ̀.
Whatsoever things are joy.
Àwọn nǹkan tí ń ṣe títọ́.
The devil may be telling you to retaliate upon your husband, upon your wife, in one way or the other. Ask yourself, is this the devil is telling you to do? Is it true?
Èyí lè ọ̀rẹ́
Is it just?
èyí lè máa sọ fún ọ pé kí o gbẹ̀sẹ̀ ní oríṣiríṣi ọ̀nà nítorí nǹkan tí o gbọ́ nípa ìyàwó èyí tó gbọ́dọ̀ fúnra ilé ǹjẹ́ òótọ́ ni ǹjẹ́ nǹkan tí ó jẹ́ ọ̀wọ̀ ni ǹjẹ́ nǹkan tí ń ṣe òtítọ́ ni bí.
Whatsoever things are pure.
Ohunkóhun tí ń ṣe mímọ́.
Whatsoever things are lovely.
Ohunkóhun tí ń ṣe fìfẹ́.
Whatsoever things are good report.
Ohunkóhun tí ó ní ìròyìn rere.
If you have anybody,
Bí ìwà òtítọ́ kan bá wà.
if you have any praise,
Bí ìyìn kan bá ti wà.
consistent,
Ẹ máa ta nǹkan wọ̀nyí rò ẹ bá wò ó.
I want you to speak about it
Eléyìí ni àwọn ọ̀pọ̀ tó gbọ́dọ̀ rìn ní ẹbí rẹ̀.
in every situation.
Nínú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí ìdájọ́.
The circumstance of life.
Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo nílá rí.
Take it out of me.
Ọ̀nà tí o lè gbà ronú nìyí.
Make the family to stay together.
Tí o lè jẹ́ kí ẹbí kó wà ní ìṣọ̀kan.
Ephesians chapter 5.
Éfésù ìkarùn-ún.
We're looking at verses 22 through to verse 25.
Àwọn ẹsẹ̀ kejìlélógún tó rè kẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n.
Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands as unto the Lord.
Ẹ̀yin aya ẹ máa tẹ̀lé bàbá àwọn ọkọ yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí fún Olúwa.
Therefore, as the church is subject unto Christ, so let the wives be to their own husbands in everything.
Nítorí náà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìjọ tẹ̀lé bàbá fún Kristi bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni kí àwọn aya kí ó máa ṣe sí ọkọ wọn lé ohun gbogbo.
And husbands, don't need to love your wives, even as Christ loved the church.
Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ fẹ́ràn àwọn aya yín àní gẹ́gẹ́ bí Kristi fẹ́ràn ìjọ.
This is the end of the message on divorce dilemma given during the Easter retreat at State Center, Yaba in Lagos.
Word of Life Broadcasting.
Your spiritual welfare is our concern.